ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. The Nasdaq's colors bright, the future's in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
Good morning, good morning. Friday Eve. We got August 28th. I don't even know what days are anymore. Get the sound settings looking right. Alright, well, give it a few minutes. See where our futures floor is, and then we'll go over to pre-market. Futures floor, where you at, buddy? Gotta go to work. We'll give them a minute. In the meantime, hope everyone's having a good morning. Finished setting up some of my stuff. All the fun stuff that we go through. While we're waiting, good time to go ahead and smash that like button. Remember, best you smash the like button, more people come to the stream. We build up a better community. Drop some comments in the chat. Hit the reaction buttons. For anybody that don't know, it's a little heart icon. You just hover over that. You got some different reactions. Just throw a couple of those up there. Google wants more engagement. Alright, looks like future floor is running a little behind. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead with the morning analysis. Rowan, good morning. All right, go ahead and start with that. We did have get a 5 minute. We have news this morning. I believe it was the 8:30 jobless claims. Oh, is there? I don't know why. I don't know why YouTube does that. It's not uploading proper. All right, we got it.
Knowledge, but Omnius. Good morning, Omnius.
I didn't know you was on till Ruin said the sound was working good.
Yeah.
I was on the waiting screen. I don't know why it didn't reload. When you go live, it's supposed to just like click on.
Okay, you sound good. So if you sound good, I sound good.
Do you?
It's just how it works.
Go
ahead.
That's just how it works.
That's just how it works. I'm scrambling. Let me just take a quick look for myself. Okay. Quick look for myself. This is bullish. Broke Asia session highs. We're above VWAP, above previous day's close, and we're trading near the high of the London session. That's bullish. Does it mean we're going to go higher? Absolutely not. A lot of times we just take out the London session highs, wick it, and go back lower. But right now there's bullish momentum. Bullish momentum means that I will be a little bit more aggressive on the long side. And I have a little setup to do because I'm late. I slept 12 hours.
Oh man, I wish I could have slept 12 hours. I'm jealous.
Yeah.
I have not been sleeping good lately.
No, me neither. Me neither. I was having 2-hour nights for like over a week. It's enough.
I'm right there with you, buddy. Bama, good morning. So I started earlier. I didn't know where you was at, but I guess, I don't know. We'll work it out. Work in progress. Once again, we did have news at 8:30. That was that kind of spike there. What was it? Jobless claims. Just a little bit moving the market. We also had NVIDIA earnings last night. So for anybody that was watching last night, got a big drop and a push back up in NVIDIA earnings. Heard a lot of people saying that they missed on earnings. I did not see that. Looked to me like they passed. They just, I mean, at some point you're just way overbought, right? So you
guidance. Did they guide lower for the future? Maybe that.
I don't even think that was it. I think it's just. I'm trying to bring it up real quick. You can always find everything super fast till you're looking for it. I mean, if you look at that chart, and you can't tell me they're not way overbought. P's over 50, so of course there's volatility. So, once again, down here, if we look at earnings, they pass on earnings and revenue, so I don't see where people are saying that they missed. And they also raised the guidance for next quarter, so I don't see that either. So we do have jobless claim news coming out. It's medium folder, 10 o'clock. And we have an FOMC member speaking at 4 o'clock. Don't know that either affect us. What do we got? Minute and a half.
Minute and a half.
Okay, zoom out. 4-hour chart. Bama says there was something to do with China also. Okay, I didn't see that. Jobless claims, we talked about that. 4-hour chart. See this candle here. Came down, hit support, shot right back up to resistance. We had the gap we talked about before. Came down to the middle of that, pushed up. So for the bulls, we want to see them push up here, push up above the resistance, gain structure, go up, maybe the 23,734, maybe the 23,830. Bearish case, push back down below the resistance, go back to support. What was that, about the 23,400, 430 area?
I can make a bearish thesis, but it's hard.
Hourly, 30 seconds. Gonna have to cut it short. About the same thing. 30 minute. You see a trend line here we could be looking at. More for the bearish case if it breaks it. 5 minute, 2 minutes. We got market opening. Where's the open? I got the open at 23,533. If anybody interested. All right. Be safe. Take good setups. Have a good day. Mike?
Well, I did one of those rare things. I took a position before the markets opened. I went long.
Skeletor, good morning.
Looks like it was the right thing to do. Why did I do that? One of my simple setups, a band bounce. We were bouncing off the bands there on the Renko charts that you can see on the bottom left. A band bounce is one of my strong signals. So I took it. Excellent. I took it in 2 accounts, my master account and one eval. Okay, I'm off to a good start again today.
Sweet.
It had very low risk. Why not? Why not? Why not?
Speaking of that, I did start the day in the green also. Was messing around a bit last night.
Oh, last night was good. I don't know if you meant last night between 6 and 6:30.
Oh, man. Last evening and last night. There's giving away money. I didn't know what to do.
That was volatility.
I'm sitting here at my desk, and I was like, I don't want to, but whatever. Yeah, was it around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock? Made a bunch of money and then came back for the evening, and they was giving out more money.
You know what I think it is? Look, I believe. I don't believe. Look at the daily chart. The markets are strong. We're above the 15-period moving average. The 100 is above the 200.
This,
And they're all aligned perfectly. We're going up, and up with small retraces. You know, I don't know how anyone can make a bear case. You're trying to buy a top if you're doing that. That's all. You're guessing. Wait till you see something in the markets, guys. Don't make your lives difficult. There isn't anything in the market that's saying you should be selling right now. If you're doing it, you're guessing.
Mike, real quick. This opening candle's 100 points.
Wow, nice. We haven't had that in what? When was the last time you had that?
It's been a little
Before
bit.
your kids were born? Yeah, a long time.
No, it wasn't that long.
No, of course not. I'm just saying, but a long time ago.
I was around last time Trump was president.
No, April of this year. Done for the day. Way to go, Skeletor. Yeah, me too.
That's what I'm talking about.
For the day.
That's what I'm talking about.
Do I have my accounts up? Let me put up my accounts. I hope it doesn't curse me. Yeah, I copy traded 150, 150.
Skeletor, I hope you're done for the day for good reasons.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. It sounds like I can see the smile in the comment.
Yeah, I feel like I see a smile in the comment also.
Yeah, there's a smile in that comment. Where's my clicker?
All right, guys, that's it. Skeletor called it. Done for the day.
Thanks for showing up.
Thanks for showing up. We'll go play some video games.
We'll see you tomorrow morning. I just got a trade at 23. This one should go to 30. Let's go to 30. 73% probability we go to 30. 73% probability we go to 30. It's at 29, 30, 31. We're out. Good.
Seen one of those prop firms yesterday again. I think it's the same one. And it's like they're all sitting around playing video games.
Mm-hmm.
So you tell me everything's got to be like trading related. And yeah, you got the prop firms. I got a bunch of people in there playing video games. We're going to have to get you to start playing some video games.
Yeah.
Have to start doing like evening Fortnite streams or something.
Well, I'm always making jokes. My wife's always telling me to stop fooling around, stop playing around, stop kidding around. Now what you gonna do? Start playing video games. I don't know. It might be tough to live with someone who's never serious. You know, I don't know. You never know when someone's joking or something. You know.
What was it, Joker? Joker from Batman said, "Why so serious?"
Yeah. I gotta see how he says it and I'll mimic him. No need auto scale.
Have to get a meme for that. Why so serious? 114 points. Open and move. That's
Well, if we don't break the high, we definitely are getting an inside bar on the 5-minute chart on NQ.
Definitely.
Well, you can never say definitely. There's a high probability.
I was like, that was strong wording right there. Definitely.
We'll take a look at the 5-minute chart.
Right now, I'm looking at the hourly chart. Pushed up
if we don't
to the resistance.
If we don't break the high, yeah, it's very likely we're having an inside bar.
Oh yeah, 5-minute inside bar. I got you.
See why I said definitely? Definitely. Although that's strong language.
That's strong language. We're not supposed to use strong language on stream.
We are not. We are not. Hey, why are there 2 of them?
That's it, 2? We do any audio checks today?
I did a quick one.
Might need to bump you up just slightly. I think I did raise my mic volume. 6. Let's go to Okay, we'll try that. So I made the ultimate mistake this morning on my streaming software. I hit the back button again, and it used to work fine forever, but now since they did all these updates, every time I hit the back button, what's that mean? You're muted. Turn your mic on.
No, the mic looks good.
What are you doing?
The mic is on.
You fucking around again?
Okay, let's get back to the markets.
What the hell are you doing?
Inside bar in 2 minutes and 13 seconds. I was putting up price. We just bumped off the previous day's high.
Guys, whatever future floor's smoking, can we get some? Can we get some for the rest of us? I mean, we don't.
Damn.
However much he had, we don't need that much, but you know.
Nope. 10% will get you there.
Like I said, don't copy our trades. We may or may not be drunk. We don't know. We did get the 50% retracement from this opening move.
We also, I'm curious, I'm going to try this trade, but for light size on a different account. I'll tell you the trade that I want to try. I think I kind of caught it. I'll tell you who else I saw doing it, but give me a minute. Oh, no, I shouldn't be in the trade. Okay, what was I talking about? Heikin-Ashi charts on a strong, or Heikin-Ashi candles on a strong move. This is kind of like what Omnius does also, I think. I'm not sure. We haven't talked about it too much, but when you get a strong move and then you go from red to green, in my case, red to white, and you break a high of a previous candle, so you kind of made like a little bit of a bull flag there, have at least two lower highs, sorry. At least two lower highs form, and then you break a high of a 1 minute candle, and your Heikin-Ashi changes colors, take that trade. Especially if you can set a low stop loss, which is under the most recent swing low. I'm going to start spending a little more time going over what Omnius does, because I think what we do is very similar. Uh-oh. Let me load them up over here on the big screen.
Who are you loading?
You! Getting you up on the big screen.
No.
Can't put you on my phone anyways. My phone ran out of battery. 0%. Never happened before.
Charge your phone.
Huh?
You gotta charge your phone.
Yeah, I am.
Oh. Okay.
But I want to watch you on the I want to watch you on the big screen anyways. Time to see what you're doing. A little more specifically, if you know what I mean.
A bit harder. Okay, hide. Hide button. Can't see me now.
Don't tempt me. I got you everywhere. Oh, that's the big one. Forget it. Let's get him. Let's get the little one.
Oh God. I go into hiding and the other one comes out.
I gotta get rid of the big ones. I don't want the big ones. Remove. They're funny though. I love them. But they're no, I'm gonna keep them for now. Maybe there's a use for them. I gotta figure out on a video how to get a transparent background. We can use that. I don't know. I can have a good time with that one.
Oh, so I was telling you before you was doing all that weird stuff, acting like you was drunk or something.
Yeah, which is the weird one? This one? I love it.
I hit the back button on the streaming software and it threw all my stuff around the screen again. I know better than to hit the back button, but you think after all these updates that might have been the thing they fixed.
Mm-hmm. That there that Omnius was doing, just for you guys to know, that's Tai Chi. Omnius started to do Tai Chi, and ever since he started, he's really feeling a lot better.
I need to do some Tai Chi.
Right? I don't even know what that is. I mean, I kind of know what that is, but I always think it's stretching.
Only got 2 likes? Oh, man. Nobody likes me.
I think it's kind of like yoga. I'm getting there. I'm trying to get there.
Where, yoga? You going to be doing a split?
No, not yoga. I'm trying to get to your chat, to your... That didn't work. Meantime, I'm not even paying attention to the markets at the best possible
time.
There's
the anti-candle.
Oh, yeah.
Did we miss it?
It was going to happen.
Late?
We broke it to the upside. Why you miss it? You're getting a better price. Oh, you said a 10-point stop.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no, I don't. I use the low of the candle. That's around 680, so you're 35 points.
No, I'm not using the low of that candle.
Well, I can get back in using the Renko chart. See, that's the thing. That's another good thing with the Renko charts. We're above the bands, and we got a blue candle. Not anymore. So I kind of maybe should be thinking about getting out. Breaking the bands is the ultimate. There, you absolutely have to get out. But yeah,
I mean, you got to consider we just had a 114-point move up.
Yeah, but you got to consider that NVIDIA made us go down, and that probably presented a buying opportunity for everyone who's thinking of wanting to get into this crazy strong market. You know what I mean?
You blaming NVIDIA? So you're another one of those people blaming NVIDIA.
No, not blaming it. No, not blaming, giving them credit, saying they gave opportunity to everyone who wanted to get in.
Oh. I'd like to get in, but I think I'll wait for it to drop another 40%.
Yeah. A lot of people, the market is just going higher and higher and higher and higher and higher day after day after day. They're saying, when can I get in? When can I get in? There's your opportunity. A one company catalyst, that's not going to affect the whole market. That's what my brain would think. Markets are going to recover.
You're talking about I do believe they are the largest company.
Yeah, and you said that they didn't provide negative guidance, and they kind of beat earnings. Maybe they didn't meet expectations, but if they beat their earnings from last time,
they're the largest company in the S&P, worth $4.42 trillion.
Wow,
that is crazy. There's countries out there that don't have that much. A lot of countries. I think every country except for all the major countries probably don't have that much.
Yeah. So if the whole mess with these earnings was the fact that they just didn't do as good as people wanted them to do, but they still did great, it's not much of a negative catalyst. Okay, bouncing off.
Order canceled. Why didn't you tell me I was in a trade? Oh my goodness.
I don't see one. Did it show up on your screen? I see again Delta. You got to explain me that Delta box. Not now, but you got to explain me eventually that Delta box. And I'm going to start asking you a lot of questions. It's going to be like Home Alone. It's going to be like it's going to be like Home Alone. You're going to say, "Do you always ask this many questions?"
No, I'm already tired of the questions. Come on, man.
I haven't asked. I haven't started.
Ask GPT.
I don't know what GPT's not going to answer me, but your screen?
Why not? GPT knows everything, man. Push. That's not pushing. The other way. Oh my goodness. It looked all nice and strong.
Mm.
You're fading me. That's nothing.
No, this is my stand here. I got a 73% trade, so I made a little bit of a stand because I had a losing trade. We should be going down to 74. 74 bid, 78, 79. I'm short at 82, 77, 78. 81.
Was looking for
don't get away.
Was looking for the quick bounce. We did have a high volume indicator. I have to get more used to that high volume thing. Push.
Well, let me get out first, and then you can push. Okay, push. I'm out. We can push. I did good there. Almost 200 on that trade.
Not looking good.
Wait. We got OFT coming in for us. You have a bullish candle. You have a bullish candle on the Renkos. Let's go. Let's get him saying it again. If you're thinking of getting out even a piece just to even improve your price or something, 88 would have been a good price. I didn't have a chance to say it to you.
Well, I did click the button, but it didn't work, so I had to click it again, which lost me 2 more points. Oh.
Okay, well, we're here at 88 again.
Oh, well, I done got out. I don't care. I wanted to go the first time.
Yeah, okay, cool. Well, there probably wasn't a lot of damage on that. Or small profits, maybe? Or what? I don't know what you were long, obviously.
Yeah, I think I took like 4 points loss.
Okay, perfect. Scratch trade.
Barely even moved the numbers.
Yep, scratch trade.
And like I was trying to tell you, the bot trade came through. At least one of them. Might see another one.
Yeah, you see your 2-minute trade. Your 2-minute chart, I'm guessing, is still bullish bias, but everything I have is bearish bias right now, except for the 1-minute chart. But I don't really develop too much bias off the 1-minute chart. I prefer to do it off the Renko and the Ninja Renkos. Still
looking for longs.
Yeah, well, that's what I was going to say about my guys here. There's no clear directional bias. I have it. The short terms, which is what I prefer to trade off, are bearish, but the longer terms are bullish. Kind of like your 2-minute and my 1-minute.
Nope, everything's telling me bullish for now, so I'll stick with that until...
Well, yeah, because my longer terms are like your 1 minutes or 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So yeah, and it's bullish still.
We can see the 2-minute chart. Looking for longs, 5-minute chart. Still above the moving average, still everything's strong. So we did push up 114 points. It looks like we're dumping 114 points. So
if ever you want to reference what I'm seeing on my fast charts, probably put up a 15-second chart. That'll probably give you an idea of what I'm seeing. Just quick. Not that I'm trading off the 15-second chart, but it's kind of relative to the 15-second chart. So
great job for whoever jumped long this morning and then went short.
Yeah, thank you.
That was well, there's all the way back to the bottom.
Yep.
Now I think we might start looking for shorts.
Yeah, when I do have a contradiction between the longer trades and the longer trades, the longer charts, the longer, can't call it time, but the trades that are focused on longer term. Ooh, I'm mixing up the word trades and charts. Let me take a breath.
About time.
If I have a divergence.
And we're coming back to the daily point of control.
You have point of control up on your charts?
I added the Quantower charts.
Can I see it anywhere? From what I'm looking at on...
probably not. I could probably switch over to this scene, which may or may not have Mike from Futures Floor on it.
That's okay.
Talk. Can I hear you?
1, 2, 3.
Well, I hear you.
3.
Should be coming through.
Good, good,
So,
good.
got the red profile over here, point of control. Broke down below that. So then we'll go to value area low. 23,588. Something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, no, what I just really meant is on your standard charts, is it easy to see? Can you get just up one line, the point of control, on your regular chart there, on your trading view chart? Would that be doable?
If I draw it. Or I do an indicator, yeah, sure. Why not?
Yeah, then get rid of everything. Just have the point of control, let's say in the value area high and value area low.
Yeah, don't need it.
Rather than the histogram.
Nope.
So when you have your standard charts up, you still see the other ones as well?
So it did come down to the 5-minute moving average. And that, I believe that was the value area low, right? Not yet. So point of control and the 5-minute moving average.
That's what's
We
missing
could
on
see
my
a bounce
chart.
from here. Appreciate everyone hanging out. If y'all see any trades, any ideals you want to talk about or go over, put them in the chat.
What's your 5-minute moving average? It got wiped from my chart when Ninja did the completer race. It's a 100 EMA, 200 EMA, I think a 100, right?
Make sure y'all hit the like button so we get likes up so YouTube will push out the stream more.
Omnius?
What?
You guys hear the tone in his voice. Your 5-minute EMA, it's a 100 period?
200.
200? Yeah, no, because it got wiped. So remember my charts got wiped yesterday? And one of the things that was gone was the EMA. Let's put it up there. Okay. I'll save it. Now I'm saving. I'm saving and keeping backups of everything.
It's kind of a crazy move, huh? That large push up, drop back down. What are we about? 150 points now? 152 points down. I think Bama was saying something about China. I wonder if that's something pushing it. What is the China news?
Yeah, Sparky, I'm coming. Give me a second.
Hong Kong's biggest counterterrorism drill. Maybe Hong Kong, maybe China's got the military everywhere and getting people scared.
Yeah, they're getting pretty aggressive from what I'm seeing on YouTube, but never know if I should believe it or not because it seems like a little bit much. Oh boy, I have a short trading opportunity to get in at a better price. Short at 11. Damn, it was like up to 18 there for a minute. Thanks, Sparky. Of course. Give cookies to Sparky and I missed the entry. 11, 12, 14. I'll try again for 16, 17. There we go. What did I got? I got 15 and a quarter. Nothing
You trying
special.
long or short?
Short. I got a short at 11, means we're going down to 04. 70% probability. And nope, stopped out. That was the 30% probability. Huh.
Yeah.
It happens. Hey, 30% is 30%, right? It's not zero. But now we have a band bounce. Oof.
Oh, so Bama commented again also. They're in talks with Trump to sell chips to China and give the U.S. a portion of the money. Somehow mine chat didn't display that. I hate they do that. Like, why not just display the comments?
Sell chips to China? China needs chips?
Guess I got yours on top chat too. I hate that they do that.
Oh, always. It's crazy.
It's so stupid.
Always resets the top chat. You have to set it to live.
Then you're missing people's comments. They think you're ignoring them, and it's like, show me the freaking chat, man.
I still don't even know what the definition of top chat means, to be honest with you.
I don't know why we have it. Just I don't even know why it's there. Oh, I kind of missed that trade. Why you didn't tell me I was getting in trade?
I got in late. Officially, you should have kind of played the donkey. The cat distracted me with the cookies. I missed my entry. I got in 5, 10, 15 points. No, not 15, 10, 20, 30, 8 points late.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't took it anyways. Too close to the 5-minute moving average. Are you blaming the cat?
Yeah, blaming the cat. The cat's become spoiled. The cat wants cookies now every 10 minutes.
Guys, always blaming every problem in their life on pussy.
Cat. Pussy cat. Displacement 1.
Come on, I thought it was funny.
It was? I laughed.
Not every joke can hit 100%, but
there you go. Another band bounce. Let's go. Continue. Continue. Oh. That's good enough.
Call my wife and tell her that joke. She'll probably laugh.
Hit you with a pan.
What? Pan? Why? Who? My wife? Why would she hit me with a pan?
Frying pan.
Why?
Because you're blaming life's problems on...
I mean...
animals. On animals.
You think she don't know?
Okay, what do I do? What do I do? What happens? This is exactly like yesterday. A bunch of winners. I just feel like... Another entry at 83. Click, click. Let's see if we can get in at a better price.
What are we doing? Short?
One.
Let's do
Short.
It. I don't like this.
No.
I don't like the movement.
It's 10 o'clock. Isn't there news at 10?
Yeah, I forgot about that. What was it? Consumer confidence, right?
No,
pending home sales. Yeah, I don't. Does anybody really care about that?
I'm out. Yeah, I don't know, but I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Don't say I didn't tell you.
I'll get out. Why are we out? All right, I gotta re-up my joint. I'll be back.
Okay.
You take any good trades? Take them from me too.
Yep. No, I'm gonna take a break here. Set something up. Take your time. Give me more time. Oh, you still there? Oh, you can't. He can't hear me. I was gonna scream. Take your time. Give me a chance to set something up. Wow. Yeah. So yeah, that trade was a loser, but thankfully we didn't lose too much. And we're gonna get another entry now. It's at 10:20, I think. We're not in yet. It didn't trigger. It did not trigger. Okay, one thing is not. Oh, it did trigger. It triggered at 97, and I can get a better price, a much better price. Oh shit, an orange order. Okay, thank God it converted. What am I filling at? I think it. I think I filled after it got stopped out. Crazy. Lost a little bit on that one. Too bad. Too bad, I guess. We are over the bands, though, so I kind of have a little bit of non-confluence, a little bit of short bias, and a little bit of long bias. Probably the best thing to do is to wait for the charts to get below the bands and confirm that we're going to continue down. Otherwise, waiting for the longer term Renkos to get probably around 23,650. Where is that? That's not too far away. That's kind of like just getting above VWAP. That'll give me an opportunity to start swinging the bat to the long side with everything in agreement. Okay, Sparky, enough. I'm just going to dump the whole container and give you food till you vomit.
Hey, don't be mean to that cat.
Oh, you're back so fast, I didn't even get a chance to do what I wanted to do.
What was you doing?
You'll see. I'm not going to ruin the surprise. Everyone's got to stick around. Next time you go on break.
Hey, look, I'm good at going on. Hey, I'll be back 5 minutes now.
Come back. There might be some opportunity for some longs. I don't even know if he hears me. Okay, then let me try media source.
Haha, I'm back.
I'll put it up anyways. No.
All right, longs or shorts? Kind of
Longs.
We are bouncing off the 5 minute moving average. So, make a long case.
I do want to try and get a long. This is an impulsive trade. Don't take it. Don't even look at it.
Well, you must have thought it was a good trade. You took it.
No, what it is this is what my brain said. I'm going to get a setup long soon, so let me get in a piece now and then add to it when I get the official setup. But where's the logic in that? Because now I really don't have a stop for this trade. I don't have a target for this trade. This is one of those trades that don't fit the plan. See, that's why Apex wants to know your plan. They want to know that you're following your plan. And maybe by stating your plan like that, you'll stick to it rather than doing stupidity like I just did right now. So now I'm stuck.
That's it. We'll go with that.
Now I'm stuck. What do? I'm stuck in a trade I shouldn't even be in, and it's already losing me $140. And I'm just hoping to dollar cost average my way into it before my charts turn.
That's kind of a big dump there.
All bearish. Yeah, of course. That taught me a lesson. Don't do it.
Kind of want to take it, but then
candle.
Still say the 5 minutes kind of iffy right here. So I don't know.
And I almost have to close it. Kind of hoping we find a
lot of wicks and
here.
indecision here.
And I got out with hopefully no damage. I have no idea. I don't even know if my numbers are... Am I even trading an account? My numbers look identical. I swear to God. 212.96, 212.96, 258.14. I got to do a test trade. You see? So you see what happened? Want to hear how bad that was?
Tried a large order. It was like a 30-point jump.
By getting in early... I had to DCA my way out of it. Got out probably around break even. And I missed the long trade, the official long trade that made money. How damaging was that?
Mm-hmm.
And now I just want to see that. Okay, so I'm trading that top one there. That's at 256.
There's some weird movement in the market today. I like it. Keeps it interesting.
Yep. 15-minute retest. We missed both of them. Had a full candle. We had 2 consecutive closes below the 15-minute opening range. A full candle.
Worked multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times.
I was explaining the setup.
Good.
No, I don't want to know anymore. It's too late. You ruined it.
Oh.
You ruined the moment.
Oh, goodness.
We'll get back to it tomorrow. Now you guys have to show up tomorrow. Give you a reason. Can we retest it from the other side? Is that a doable trade?
I don't see why not. We're also back in, so it's kind of like a failed breakout.
Yep.
Which gives more strength to the bulls at the moment.
Yeah, I gotta say now everything you have is bullish, right? Because my final chart turned.
No, my 2 minutes still bearish.
No, yeah, still. Where is it? Let me see your 2 minute. Okay.
I don't think I would.
No, that's
I
not
don't
your
think
chart.
I would go short because I see all the volumes bullish. 5 minutes bullish. 2 minute be bullish in a minute.
Explain to me why you need the 2 minute to. What do you need the 2 minute to do to go bullish? Just get over those bands. A full candle. A close. 2 consecutive closes. Anything.
Bands will change when they get broken.
Ah, I got you. I got you. Your bands change colors. Not yet. Did that candle not close yet? 3 seconds on my chart, 2 seconds, 1 second. You're probably a few seconds behind on your stream. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Well, your stream's a little bit more delayed than...
Nice 5 minute candle. Big boner candle.
It's not 2 minutes yet. Wait a minute. Yeah, 10:09. Okay, that's what I was going to say. That's crazy that you.
And we broke this. And we broke this gap. Pushing up, lots of strength. Good to see.
So it wasn't 3 seconds. His candle will close in on the stream in about, well, 10 seconds. I like where we are. I mean, we're 30 points away from previous day's high, 30 points away from, wait a minute, 30 points away from VWAP. It gives us, room to run in any direction. I just took a long.
Why are we running?
Why are we running? I never care.
I ain't running nowhere.
As long as we're running.
Look, if we're in a situation where we got to run, we're probably going to lose that situation.
Why? Why did I take that trade? It was a very simple trade. Markets are super strong. There's momentum. There's continuation. Look at the Ninzarenko charts. Every run is large. We're bullish. When I get a bullish bar like now, I get in for a 3 lot. My risk is small because my risk is 1 bearish candle, which is nothing. It's 5 points. And if we run, which is happening almost on every sequence, I take advantage of it. And if this one does not have continuation, then I'm going to stop doing that. Which is not looking good. We're close to getting stopped out. I got my finger on the close button. I don't like the fact that it's hesitating, but anything can happen. There we go. Cost me $20 on a 3 lot. I lost 3 points.
3 points. Big
3
money.
points.
Big
And
money.
I ask you. And I Apex 90% off, 80% PA fees. Wow, nice.
What is it? Apex?
Skeletor said Apex 90% off with $85 PA fees. Time to focus on passing a few Apex accounts then.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
I wonder if that DayTraders, I wonder if they ever have like better sales. I was telling you yesterday, I think it was yesterday, that the guy that owns DayTraders was the guy from Apex.
Yeah,
and
that lawsuit, I guess, or whatever.
It was confirmed also that's the guy. Apparently he left Apex because of all the like crappy stuff they was doing.
Yeah.
And he kept telling them, stop it, stop it. And the other guy kept, I guess there was 2 of them that were partners. And he's the one that wrote all the code. He's the one that did all the stuff. And he told the other guy was ruining Apex, and the guy wouldn't stop, and finally he just left. And that's also the guy that Apex is suing Kellyanne because she told a story.
Yeah.
That's why she's being sued by Apex. Which I understand you have non-disclosure agreements and stuff, but I don't know. I guess everybody should know that you can't talk about company insider stuff. To release documents and stuff like that, it's kind of iffy. She should have known better, but still kind of hope she wins.
Yeah. So you kind of almost never win from that. Just the stress, the legal fees.
Yeah, right. Even if you win, you still lost. But I guess he wanted to open another firm, and that's it. And I guess he's saying he wants to make it more like Apex was supposed to be.
Yeah, or how Apex was originally in the beginning. My God, if you would see the videos of what, I think the guy, either Daryl or John, how he talked about saying why he opened Apex because of Bulenox. You know, Bulenox was this and that and didn't let him take out, a certain amount of payouts after $300,000. And he had a $200,000 trade, like a super large trade. And yet, he's banning super large trades, and like he's doing everything that now that he said he didn't like about Bulenox and why he opened up Apex. I don't know. Maybe it's a reality of the prop firm business. We can't speak. Maybe there's just so much fraud and attacks from non-traders just organizing and doing shit that shouldn't be done that I gotta go. Give me a second.
I think they definitely get their fair share of. I don't know what he did, but I think the prop firms definitely get their fair share of issues. But I think they still got to try to be fair to people. Oh, look at that. 91% sell on Bulenox. For anybody interested in Bulenox, 91% off. Use code Omnius. That's cool. Have to pick up a few more accounts. I do wish Bulenox would tell people when they're going to start doing these sales so we could let people know in advance. They just kind of throw it on you. So anyone interested in Bulenox, got it set up 91% off. For anybody that doesn't know, Bulenox also gives you 91% on all reoccurring payments.
I'm back.
There he is. So if you get a Bulenox account and you do not pass the first month, it's still 91% off the second month and the third and the fourth, however long you have it. I think they're one of the only companies that does that.
Yeah, but now DayTraders. Did you mention how it works there?
Right now I'm talking about Bulenox. They have 91% off.
Oh, do they too?
You gotta go set your code. The other code's not there, so if anybody uses your code, it's not gonna work.
Yeah.
Don't like they did that. Wish they'd give you like advance notice so you could set the codes and everything. Could I try a short? Could. I'd like it to work. Did have a large volume.
Really should.
Although so far this large volume's not been helping me. Really. So I like the movement today, but every time I jump in, it's just like back and forth. All right. Take all my money. I don't care. I do care. I do care. It's like the price goes so good and until I jump in, and then it's like, nope. I saw you. Coming after you. No, market don't care about me or you or anybody else.
No, doesn't even know.
Doesn't even know. I saw people last night talking about stop hunts and all that other stuff and coming after your trades, and I don't know. I just don't believe that no more. I don't even think the market don't even care. I think if it's true, if futures is only like 15% of the market, then even the largest of banks is barely moving this market.
Yeah, I always said I'd need to see that from the inside to really get an understanding of how that works. Until then.
I was telling you that video I watched, that guy was talking about what actually moves the market, and made a lot of sense.
Yeah.
And really all the market movement is just everybody hedging with options. So it's like everything we see on the chart is just a representation of what the market's done. It's all historical data. Everything moving the market is people hedging, banks hedging.
Well, if that's the case, though, with EPEX, $85 PA fees, that's huge. That's a big savings.
And a 90% off?
So, run the math and think about it. Yeah, and 90% off. Everyone's talking about Take Profit Trader, how $100 is the greatest price. Yeah, but if you swing for the fences and you screw up, you can either let it renew or you can cancel it and start another one for $100, right?
Mm-hmm.
And again, and another 100, and another 100. Now with Apex, you can get them for like $13. Swing for the fences, fail. Swing for the fences, succeed. Pay $85. You got in for your 100. This actually gives you an opportunity to go aggressive.
I agree.
September 2nd, it's not far away though. Damn, it doesn't give me much time. It's Thursday. I gotta go get some now and start trading a little aggressive and try to push a few accounts up to the 1500 level.
Were you saying you got to pass before the 2nd?
No, I don't think so. No,
No, I wouldn't think
usually
so.
yeah, no, it's usually just for the account, but I want to take advantage of that and not just have one day of trading. No, because if I fail it, I want to get another one. Like, I don't want to buy, oh, maybe I'll just buy a bunch of them. Oh, we'll see. Anyways, can I do that now?
You know how on NinjaTrader you could have the small chart, but then you can full screen it and then go right back to the small chart?
No, I don't know how to do that.
Really?
Yeah, that would be cool.
You just press the button that looks like a full screen, then you press the one that looks like a small screen.
I don't have that on NinjaTrader.
What are you talking about? Of course you do. It's at the top right. Well, actually, you press the full screen, then you press it again. Full screen? Not full screen. What are you talking about?
Yeah. Oh no. Okay. Sorry. Different language. That for me, full screen. It doesn't have any of the. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I was just. It was a confusion over language. Yeah. That the maximize and the minimize. Yeah.
Yeah.
But TradingView has that. But TradingView also has a button in the bottom right. That's a square.
But Quantower, every time I put it full screen, I have a bunch of issues getting it back to where it's supposed to be.
Okay. That sucks.
Because they try to lock it to the bar at the top. I hate how they do that. To me, Quantower would be so much better if they just get rid of that stupid bar. I don't understand it.
What I don't like about NinjaTrader is the fact that each chart, each piece you open up is a separate unit. It's not contained within a larger.
See, I kind of like that in a way, because Quantower has where they group them, and that's been driving me crazy too. They come a long way with Quantower, but I still feel like they could throw in a couple updates to fix these things.
I don't know. I like to work inside the canvas. I don't only have to worry about opening, closing, minimizing the canvas.
Yeah, you can do that in Quantower. You can group all your charts, open, close them all together.
Not a big fan of these separate pieces.
Yeah, I would think that NinjaTrader could add a group function.
Because what if I want to move all of these right now? I have 5 charts on my main screen. You guys see it as 3, let's say, which is why they're not displaying properly. Is it because of this? Oh, yeah, it's because of this. What if I want to move them all 3 at the same time? You know, I want to kind of grab all 3 of them. I don't think I can.
I don't think so.
I have to, but maintain the entire same perspective, the distance, how far they are away from each other. And do I want to go short? We do have a band bounce. We did get under.
I think right now we're barcoding.
Yeah, I just saw it. Thank you for saving me. I'm not going to go short near.
And it's about that time of day we've been doing it. I think if we go back, we had about the same yesterday. Was it? I don't know. I remember talking about it yesterday. Well, that was in the morning, I guess. And a little bit around 10 o'clock. I hate to fight this barcode and price action. And then the rest of the day, you're trying to make the money back when you could just be making a bunch of money. I guess it was Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday with a lot of barcoding. My 2 minutes still short and never went long.
I think I'm going to start taking screenshots now at the end of my day every day.
Of the chart or what?
No, not for myself. Just for, I don't know, reference in case these companies complain about something. You know, you never have proof or evidence if they say something. Like for me, I don't know if you can see my numbers. Are they displaying?
There's something in the middle of your chart. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, you can see my results. It's on the top left.
Tool option selected. Oh, you must be doing something.
Top left, you see my results.
Mm-hmm. No, I'm saying there's something over top of your chart screen.
Now?
Yeah.
Oh, why is it so small? It's not covering anything.
It's just in the middle of your screen. I don't know.
Yeah, it's a little band. It has to do with Paint Shop Pro. I moved it away.
Yeah, that's what I said. You were probably doing something.
Yeah. I lost my train of thought.
Something about taking screenshots.
That's it. Taking screenshots, yeah, just in case, you know, somebody's... Bulenox, because they have that no flipping rule. Or, no, not no flipping, but you can only flip 20%. So, you know, like right now, one of my master accounts is $89. Are they going to consider that a flipping trade, a flipping day? So I want to keep, you know, you were flipping. I want to keep records because those are my days. My days are between usually $200, $300 on the upside, from 0 to 300, or from 0 to minus, let's say 150. Those are my days. This is not a flipping day. That's a perfectly executed day, reaching target.
That's what I would think. I think flipping days, they're talking about just putting on like one micro and flipping it.
Yeah, well, I don't know. So I'm starting, my balances are up there. Like one of them just passed 52,500. I think that's the limit, or it's
seen something. I think it was the DayTraders. The review I was watching, the guy said, I think you got to make a certain amount of money for it to count as a day.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of weird.
Yeah, so if you didn't make that, then it's a flipping day.
It was like $200 or something. I feel like there's a lot of people out there that trade multiple accounts, and that's all they're looking for is 100, 150, 200 a day.
Yep.
So
they saw that and they made a rule.
If you're anybody trading a few micros and only looking for 200 a day, I don't know, that's kind of a red flag. But the review I watched was a couple months old, so you don't know what updates they've done since then.
Well, what had just happened? I have no idea what I just did. However you cut it. What, D does not work on my computer?
What is it?
I don't know, the letter D. Something's weird. Am I typing somewhere? Let me try again.
Did you go to Patrick's page and wish him happy birthday?
No, I didn't even know it was his birthday, so I didn't get an invitation to his party. PNG, save as 0001. The date is August 28th, 2025. Okay, saved. Yeah, that's a bit of a problem if you don't reach target, and if they're going to call that a flipping day because you didn't reach target.
Birthday bonanza, huh? He's got camera crews and everything there.
Wow.
We'll get you a camera crew one day. Don't worry about it.
Yeah,
Check.
my wife.
Check. Can we get Mike a camera crew?
My wife threw me a surprise birthday party this
That's
year.
Cool.
Yeah, I was very surprised. I have a theory that it's impossible to pull off a surprise party, and she managed. She really did. I was completely surprised. No idea whatsoever.
Shout out to Mrs. Futures Flora
Uh-huh.
for throwing the best surprise party.
Yeah. And here's the crazy thing. As we walked into the restaurant, I saw my daughters sitting at a table with people. And instead of thinking, okay, surprise party, I said to myself, hey, what a coincidence. My daughter's here also. I didn't even think about it. And then I saw another person at the table. And again, my brain said that, oh my God, what a coincidence. I completely forgot it was my birthday. So it wasn't registering that it could be a surprise party. When did it hit in? When they actually all screamed surprise. My brain thought for a second, surprise? Oh, it's my birthday. Nice run here.
Yeah, I thought about jumping in with that large order, but then the last large order let me down, so I think it's throwing me off again. You know how you got your setup and you want to add or take stuff away, but then when you do it, it takes a little while to get used to it.
Yeah.
Like, how does this fit in? In theory, it always works great, but then in reality, like, it just throws you off. What are we seeing, though? Anybody looking at anything? Check out the hourly. Huge push up, right back down. Still seem kind of bullish this hour. Think we could push right back up, maybe. I always think entry is always the hardest. If you can find a good entry, it's so much easier.
Yeah. I'm the opposite. My weakness is exits.
Well, exits are normally kind of easy. You gotta take profit. Just do what you're supposed to do and go up to the line, and we make money. Don't go to that line, you go the other way, you go to the other line. We still make money, it's just down a little bit temporarily. Like I said, if you know your stats, you know your average, shouldn't matter. Theoretically, I know it hurts at the moment, but in the end, it shouldn't matter. You take a loss. You know what your
definitely not.
You know what your average trade is. If I said, "Hey, Mike, take 100 trades a day, your average is going to be $150," you'd take 100 trades a day, wouldn't you? Like,
absolutely.
Okay, just keep pressing that button. So know your setups, know when to take them, know your average trade. What's your winners? What's your losers? What's the average? Focus,
so what's the obvious?
Focus on that average.
Yeah, what's the obvious issue with that? People don't know their average. Would you say? That's what I would say.
Well, I mean, you should know around about, right? Like, hey, if I take 10 trades a day, my winners are 300, my losers are 100. That makes my average, what, 200 a trade? Well,
I think if you're at that level, you're already a good trader. I think most traders are new traders and they don't know, they don't have edge. I don't think they're even trading a really well back-tested system with generated numbers. And I don't think they know what their expectancy per trade is. And then, once you even are experienced and you know these numbers, If you're like me, you worry that that's going to disappear, that the market is going to change somehow, and you're not going to be able to achieve those numbers again. Okay, so now I'm curious. I got my Bulenox account, my master account, to 52,600. Does that allow me to initiate, or watch out, there's another copier open. Yeah, let's close all the copiers. Does that allow me to whatever they call, get the fourth master account now?
You have it above the threshold, should.
I don't know what their threshold is. I think it's 52,600. Let's see tomorrow.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
You got any on the back burner?
Yeah, I do.
Bulenox, you can pass your eval and pause them, I think. Unless they change it.
Yeah, they do.
What...
Yeah. No, they do. They do. You see it very clearly on the bottom left of your dashboard. You have master account, master account, master account, then the number of the other account, and it just says pending. It's waiting.
That's what I like about it. You can have it right there in the chamber as soon as you're ready for it.
Yeah, so that's what I'm wondering, if they're going to send me an invoice now for the...
I think with the day traders, you can only have 5 pro accounts. And I was seeing something about you can only have 3 of one type and 2 of another. They're going to have to do a little bit of work, because apparently your different account types, even though they're pro accounts, have different rules and stuff.
Yeah. Oh, it does get confusing. You need almost an encyclopedia.
So I think they have 3 account types. They have the trailing drawdown, end of day drawdown. They have static drawdown. And then they have, I guess, 4. Static drawdown and then straight to funding. So for anybody that likes straight to funding, I think that would be great. I don't like that the rules are different.
You know what I also like about Bulenox? That you don't have to enter in your credit card every time. Swear to God, I seriously love that. I don't know about you guys, but it's safe. The only thing I have to enter in is the 3-digit code on the back.
I think Bulenox does a lot of things in the background that people don't think about. I think they don't get enough credit for it. Bulenox is still my favorite.
Well, I'm gonna probably make a big strong argument for DayTraders.com, because no recurring eval fee, that's huge.
That is huge. And the fact that it's the guy that everybody liked from Apex.
Yep, automated payouts.
Like
the
moment
no profit split.
The moment he left Apex, they went to shit. So, well, I wouldn't say. I guess that's a bit harsh. But that's when everything started changing. And apparently that's the reason he left, because they wanted to do a bunch of stuff that he wasn't comfortable with. So, I don't know all the details, just saying what I heard about it. So I think the day traders could be pretty exciting. And a full license to Quantower. If you go buy that right now, it costs you $1,600.
I don't know. I'm thinking the automated payout process, where it really sounds like they're just relying on their rules, which is what I said they should do. No internal review. Look, if you follow the rules and you All you need, I think, all you need as a prop firm to survive and to avoid all the issues they're dealing with is a very tight consistency rule, 20%. So you can't go for these grand slam days, so people aren't going to find ways to cheat you. And I'm sorry, I like Apex's max loss rule. Don't lose more than 30% of your account equity on any one trade. Don't take huge risks. So now you have to grind. And if you can grind and get the profit, that's fine. Do you know how hard it is to scam or scheme with someone if you have to grind your way to it?
Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. I understand they get scammers and they got to protect themselves, but I just don't feel like you need all that. Like, let people trade however they trade.
Well, how are you going to cut out collusion? And not collusion to take advantage of a market move, but collusion to just outright rob the prop firm.
Yeah.
You know, you're saying let them trade, let them trade.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Omnius goes long on that one.
Omnius goes long a 10 lot. Futures floor goes short a 10 lot. And then we're going to pay Omnius because we're letting him trade the way he trades? No, that's wrong.
Well, I don't think that somebody trading within a 30% stops that. I think if you're making an argument for them, I think the argument would have to solve the problem.
Well, no, it does solve it because 30% is very tight. It's very tight. You and me would have to go long, and you and me would have to go long, and now we're dealing with take profits and stop losses, and we got to do it for multiple days. It's a lot harder to do.
I could see maybe a 50% or maybe even justify 40%. 30%, I don't know. You're in a trade, you shouldn't be trying to pull out a calculator and calculate whether you're going to break a rule because your trade's too good.
Well, you shouldn't be risking. And it's not your trade's too good. Your trade's going against you if you're risking 30% of your entire account.
Yeah.
I don't think there's a lot of prop firms that, I don't think SMB Capital will be happy if you're risking 30% of your account on one trade. I don't know exactly how it works, but I have watched enough of their videos to know that they tell you to cut your daily. You have a personal daily loss limit. If you go over it, you're in trouble. Like you're in trouble with Daddy if you scratched his car, just to let you know. They have strict rules that they have to stick by. Well,
my theory on it is that they give you these tight loss limits so that you have to choose larger accounts. That's their way to try to push you into the larger accounts.
Yeah, maybe.
A lot of times, the person winning the trade's the person that still got the capital to trade, right? So you playing poker or something, a lot of times it's the person that still got the capital
chipping a chair
to be able to play, or a lot of times in a fight, the person that wins is the person that's still able to stand up, A lot of people lose a fight not because they got beat up, but because they can't stand up anymore.
That's funny you mentioned that. I was watching Conor McGregor. I don't know if it was an old video, but he lost a fight to some new guy not some new guy, some guy he wasn't supposed to lose a fight to.
Mm-hmm. So a lot of people having their strategies to be able to take a large drawdown. Who's to say that that's any less way of trading than anybody else? I mean, if you're calculating, like some people calculate the strength of the market, and they're looking for the market to go to a certain range. If you average it in, and that strategy, that's your strategy. And a lot of professionals trade that way. So to say that that's not a professional way of trading, I think is misleading. In fact, that guy Ricky trades that way. And he got a huge following. I don't think Apex would be able to go to him and say, hey, you're not a professional trader because you're trading this way. And that guy trades with millions of dollars.
Yeah, well, that's the gray area where certain people actually trade that way.
Mm-hmm.
The way that certain people trade is the way that scammers, colluders would be doing it.
Well, I don't think it's scammers or colluders. You know, if somebody's taking that much drawdown and they don't have a good strategy for it, then they're going to blow their account. You know, who's to say that's any different than somebody that takes a bunch of losing trades? Like whether you take one or you take a bunch, what's the difference? It's just different ways of trading.
Honestly, I don't think you need that anymore. I think and I worry that Bulenox has shown the industry how to do it. You can pretty much get rid of all the rules. You don't have to worry about it because no one's going to take you to no one's going to clean your clock anymore. All you got to do is limit your exposure to how much you're going to pay a trader. We'll pay you 3. Now, there used to be 3 minimum payouts, and then there was no more minimum, like no more cap. That's the right word, right?
Right.
Well,
Yeah.
Bulenox got genius. Now forget it. Forget the fact that there's 3 minimum payments and then no more cap. Now there's 3 minimum payments, and we send you to live.
You know the other one's doing that too, right?
So you only have access now to the minimum payments. There you go. So now they have all the losers, and all they're doing is paying out minimum payments. No one's requesting $80,000 anymore.
The DayTraders, they have similar rules.
Yeah. Well, I think that's how they're all going to protect themselves.
I think they have a cap. I think it was, I get like 200 or 250 or something like that. 1,000.
Okay.
But
that's a different story than Bulenox is 4,500.
No, let me finish. They have other things also, like
Shit. You're funny.
Like if you make that and like 3 or 4 payouts or something, then they're capping it. But other than that, after so many payouts, then they're looking at you to go to a live account.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't have time to do anything, but eventually I'm going to have to sit down and start going over all the rules of all these firms.
Yeah, and they change so rapidly.
I know, that's the problem. You can spend 2 hours learning the rules, close the computer 5 minutes later. You don't know. They could change it. That could be, it could be when they make the update 5 minutes later.
Yeah. You think they'd send you out an email or something telling you the changes, but they never do.
It's so wrong that they don't. It's just makes no sense. I know, I guess it's a way to fail people again. Oh, you didn't know about the new rules? Well, ignorance of the law is not an excuse. Okay, I can't log into Apex. They're having I don't know, they're having an issue.
Everybody flooding the site?
Either that or they lost the lawsuit, can't use the software, and their own version isn't working. Oh no!
I gotta write down this code. I feel like every time I go on DayTraders, my code's different.
What code?
They
How
give
are you
you
having a code?
They give you a code.
No, they didn't.
Yes, they did.
What was your code? What's your code?
I'm writing it down right now.
I don't even know where you got it. You got to show me.
All capital letters. S. X. E. X. U. Q. MD. I think they need to update the way they're doing that. See it?
I'm going. Do I see it? What do you mean where? Where do I see it? Do I see it on your stream?
Oh, I thought you were going to yours. No.
No, I'm going to their website. I'm slowly making my way there.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Mm-hmm. Getting there. Not as quick as you. I'm an older man.
You're not that much older.
That's elderly abuse.
When,
I don't have a link.
Hey, when you go to Golden Corral, do you get the senior citizens discount?
Shut up.
I'm asking. That's a serious question.
I have no idea. I don't ask for it, but my wife told me that at the hardware store now, the first Tuesday of every month, I can get like 15% off or something. I told her the same thing I told you. Shut up.
You go to Golden Corral, you don't use the senior citizen discount? I use it. I've been using it for a while. We went one time and we was behind some elderly people and they got it, and the wife's like, well, do I get the discount? And the lady's like, well, I'm not allowed to ask you your age, so I mean, if you want it, I'll give it to you.
They're not allowed to ask the age. Wow,
Nope.
That's interesting.
So there's you a little hack right there. You go to the buffet place. You want the discount? Just tell them you want the discount. I can't ask your age.
No kidding. Okay, so do I have to log in, or I just go to the affiliates page and
I don't know.
click apply now, and that's where the save 50 we used to be? Oh my God, there is an application form now.
I just log in. Give me an application form.
For the affiliate, there never used to be an application form. Oh, maybe because I'm not logged in. Maybe this is the open an account with DayTraders.
If there's not an application, how'd you log in? How'd you sign up?
I didn't.
What? You told me you had an affiliate. What are you talking about? It's on your site.
Listen to the order of things. I clicked purchase to purchase an account, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I entered in my first name, my last name, I guess my email address, password, all that, and then I went and I paid for my account.
Mm-hmm.
Then I clicked on the button on their homepage that says affiliate, and I didn't have apply now. But usually you have to apply for an affiliate program. I didn't have to apply. All they did was just have the links, and they had the links, and they had the banners, and they had to say 50. And I said, what's this? But right now I'm seeing, now there's an application, and it actually even says affiliate payout type, and you can choose plain or something. I never had any of that. They didn't have this up before.
I don't see what you're talking about.
Well, I really have to try and trade this account. I'm forgetting about it. Okay. Yeah, affiliate info, that wasn't there either. Banners, link.
You got banners and links. Tells you your code, your coupon, affiliate link with coupon code.
Yeah, no, I didn't have any of this. This is all new. So why am I here? Now I forgot. Why were you sending me here?
Your coupon code.
Statistics, banners, and links. I don't have that. I have keywords, payouts, statistics, banners, and links. Okay, banners and links. Data, how it works. Yeah, now I have a coupon code. Okay, well, you also had save 50, remember?
Yeah, at first, and then that's until they get you the code.
That's why I knew save 50 wasn't, or not I knew, but I said, okay, that's bullshit. You're not going to get the credit for it because I thought everyone's getting save 50. So I'm saying, okay, that's not going to anybody. And the only way to get a credit was to use a link, not the coupon code. Okay, so my link is probably not working.
Why?
because my link doesn't have my coupon code in it. I'm looking now at the link and the coupon code is in it. Before, my link had a question mark and an =1.
Mine just had that. No. Mine's got that on the live video, but then when I go to edit it, it's actually got the code in it. That's weird. I don't know why it's doing that.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm not gonna...
Cheers might be doing the same thing.
I'll look around later. My theory was it wasn't working, and
that's what I was just checking out.
If I do click on statistics, though, it does show that there was 11 clicks.
So now I come back here and it says, "Don't give the whole thing again." It gives the link. I can click on it, but it doesn't give the whole link. It's weird. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm trying to get into Apex. I want to buy an account and one thing at a time. Well, let's go to the help and see if they have a little note on what's going on. They usually do.
Still kind of pushing up. Got a trade there.
My CPU is working too hard. I have to figure out why.
Uh-oh.
We are performing a database backup. We anticipate being back online in a couple of months. Thank you for your patience.
That's Apex?
Couple of minutes. Yeah. I don't think it's a database backup, though, in my opinion. I think we are currently experiencing problems. Because of that, we are scrambling to perform a database backup, and we anticipate being back online in a couple of minutes. That's what I think the message, the reality of the message is. Just like me yesterday. After I realized what can happen, or I saw a hole in the, not the security, but whatever, I made a backup of my page. Okay, we'll try later. I hope their accounts are working well. Let me, what time is it? 10:59. Let me just pick one and see if I can even do a trade. Okay, is it working? Yeah, it looks like it's working. I don't have to worry. Push lower. Actually, I had a good chance to add to the trade. Oh, right there. Let me add to the trade. I got in. If this is a bearish bar on the Renko, I'll get out a piece. If it's a bullish bar, I get out. Just playing the move inside the Renko bar. Bar goes up. You can play inside the bar. Sell near the top before the bar forms, cover near the bottom before the bar forms, or wait till the bar to form. But you so clearly know where your stop is. It's on the next bar forming. Just have your finger over it. There we go. The bar formed, and look, it went down even after that. I got out. That second piece I got out, probably losing trade. Probably didn't even lose money on the trade.
So small loss?
Small loss or no loss, but I'm going to start swinging a very heavy bet on this account because I guess I'll use this one. The thing is, this one renews at a different time. I like to kind of schedule my renews, you know, on a week by week basis, you know, have one or two accounts renew every week. So in case I lose one, I just wait for my next week and it renews, if you know what I mean. But if I'm going to buy you know, because of the 90% off sale, if I'm going to buy a bunch of them, they all renew at the same time.
Yep.
And I don't want a whole bunch to renew at the same time. So I don't mind 2 renewing at the same time, but I guess the other ones I'll trade much more aggressively. I just don't want to lose this one because I like the timing of this one, and I only have $500 open profit in it, but I think I'll do good with it, and I'll bring it to PA status. Where are we? You see what the problem? You know what confuses me when I put up your stream on the large monitor or on a large monitor? I keep looking at it, and then I keep getting confused what my bias is.
Why?
Because they're not my charts. It's like, what? Where are my charts? Like, it's like, what am I looking at here?
Weird.
I have to realize it's you. I have to realize it's yours. That takes a second for my brain to kick in. What am I doing? Why is my laptop on Wi-Fi when I have a wire? I could wire it to the network. That's pretty stupid of me.
Yep,
My son
I do
was
the
using
same thing.
Yeah, my son was using the wire when he was trading, and beside me here, but he's gone. And the wire's just loose on the floor, and I never plugged it into my laptop. I'm back. Was working, giving permission to a person in Ubuntu server. You missed some good trading. I don't mean. Sorry, you missed some good price action. That's the momentum indicator went bullish at around 1034, and we're staying strong. Except there's only a 10-point advantage to the bulls, 55 to 45. I get a little more conviction when we're in the 60, 62 area, 62%. Then it's like 62, 38. And you have a 25-point advantage. That shows good strength in the markets.
All right, I'll be back in a minute.
Where am I going? What's the date today? 28th? It's got to be this one. No, it's not. Did I not share it to OneDrive? It's there. File. How does the date keep changing? BTC is undervalued. Yeah, I gotta go look. Right now my computer's hanging. I want to, Bulenox is 91. Yeah, Bulenox is 91%. Yeah, I'm trying to load up, but can you log on to,
Hey, Mike, I'm gonna take a few more minutes. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right,
Just asking, or if you can. Okay, yeah, go. Can you log on to Apex? I can't log on to Apex. Control Alt Delete. Task Manager. End task. Windows Media Player. Windows Explorer. Close. Yeah, I can't log in. I'm getting database errors and stuff. Oh, now everything just disappeared because I moved my... That's so funny. That's so funny because I moved my window a few inches. I hate when that happens. I don't understand that feature, but you know what? I'm gonna have to talk to ChatGPT and see if there's a way to turn it off. If I have well, call it an app or whatever, open, and it touches the edge of my screen, all the other open apps get minimized. And unfortunately with Apex, you can't open them all up in one shot. You got to click on each one. Then I got to bring up OBS. Then I got to bring up Discord for my camera. Then I got to find my chat again, docs, chat. Need a location for my chat. So for now, I'll put it here. Top chat, live chat. I forgot what I was doing. Oh, I remember now what I was doing. Apex page is slow. Yeah, the initial page was slow, but then when I tried to log in, that didn't work. Or if I got in past the login, the two-factor authentication didn't work. Why is the date being wrong? Or maybe it's the date that they're saved, not the date that I bring them in. No, you came back too quick.
What'd I do?
I was trying to set up my new Omnius camera. Okay, I got to turn off lo-fi.
I mean, if you're talking about me while I'm gone, talk about me while I'm here. That way I could be part of the joke too.
Yeah. It's this guy. What?
Oh, since I know you was wondering, I was setting my roast up. Remember I was talking about that roast yesterday?
Yeah.
Man, it's starting to smell good too. In the crock pot, slow cooking.
It's true. I told you go. You want to hear how bad short-term memory is? I told you yesterday, you may not even have seen it when I closed down my stream at night. I told you go into TikTok chat later. TikTok messaging. So because I was going to send you a message. How did it go at the dentist?
Oh, yeah?
But I completely forgot.
I seen the message this morning. I didn't even see it yesterday.
I went up to bed and I fell asleep. There was no Okay, good.
No, I pretty much sent the whole household to bed early last night.
Yeah.
I came home, my mouth was hurting. It wasn't too bad, just aggravated. Sometimes it hurts to the point of just being aggravated.
Yeah.
And the kids, oh my God, it was one of those days for them.
So is it all done? Are you finished? One visit?
Now I gotta go back. But yeah, we was on opposite ends of the spectrum yesterday. Like, I was like, look, I don't feel good. Y'all just gotta get away from me. Go to your bedroom. Go outside. Go do something. The girl, Dad.
Isn't it crazy sometimes how it goes like that? It's like, how am I the assistant for everybody's life running well? It is sometimes. It's Mike. Like, leave me alone. Figure out how to make rice on your own or something,
Well, I mean, we signed up for it when we became parents, but I mean, can you give me a break for a few hours when I don't feel good?
Yeah, but my kids are older already, and my wife, it's like everybody, And then the cat starts meowing because even the cat gets in on it.
I'm like getting on to the girl. No, she's only 6. The boy's a little bit older, so he's about to the point where it's like, dang, just give him a few minutes, right? He's trying to tell the girl, he's like, just stop, they don't feel good, just leave him alone for a little bit. She's like, okay, I won't mess with you no more. 5 seconds later, Dad.
Initial balance break. If anybody's interested in watching for the initial balance retest, that was the push you just saw. A little bit of momentum. I don't know if we're going to form a fair value gap here. We do have 70% on the momentum indicator. That's showing significant strength, which I like to see. I like to see a breakout with significant strength.
Yeah, that's that good stuff.
Volume. I should watch volume. I should put up volume, but it's like, that's what I said. Once you have too much, it's then you start to get paralysis by analysis. Because when you have like 19 different things you're looking at, you're not gonna have confluence among all of them. And then what are you gonna do? You're gonna create like a scoring system. You got to be 12 out of 19 to take the trade. How do you manage all that?
That's why we need simple, repeatable setups. Like the one we just had. Nice pullback, trend line break, push up, Nice, easy, make money.
Yep. I'm pre-announcing, just so you guys don't think I'm going off the rails. I will be trading 15 lots on this Apex account here right now. And I will allow myself to add, because I do want to try and get it to 52,000. It's an eval. The Apex accounts are 90% off with $85 activation fees. So I want to push this one account today.
Do you know what is the normal for the activation fee?
140, I think, or 130.
Really? That's a pretty good deal.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, close to half price, 2 for 1.
No wonder their websites. No wonder the website's slow. Everybody's jumping on that.
We didn't get a full candle above the initial balance high. We did get 2 consecutive closes, but not a full candle. So for me, there's no retest trade there. What do I mean by a full candle? I like to see the high and the low not touching the initial balance high. I mean, well, actually, when it's the initial balance high, I don't want to see the low touching the initial balance high for one candle. I want to see it fully above, and for the initial balance low, I want to at least see one candle with a high not even touching the initial balance low. We didn't get that. Basically, I want to see a candle form a little bit of distance. A full candle form some space between that and the line, the level. You want to see that price.
You thinking failed breakout?
It is for now, but a lot of times there's that failed breakout. Retail traders panic, push it back in, and then the smarter money starts to get in now. You know, they get out at 23,750 on the breakout, selling to retail. They keep pushing. They take all their profits because they got in earlier. They got in at 700, 710, you know, around 11 o'clock, 1056, 1053. They got in earlier. They pushed it above. Now they're taking profits to the dumb money. And then they'll get back in at a much better price and then push it higher. You haven't seen that pattern repeat frequently, or is that a pattern that you recognize? The break, the push back in, and then the continuation back above again? And then that's the real break? That's the real break, the second one?
I normally see patterns like this, failed breakout, normally go down. But I think if they push it back up, then I guess they trap the sellers.
Yeah. Well, both. I think they trap the buyers up top, getting them to bail. Because the initial balance, they're calling it now a failed auction. We got back inside. Oh no, the trade didn't work. And then they accumulate again. And then they push it through, and then it works. Look, there's all kinds of patterns, eh? There's even the second failed breakout.
Mm-hmm.
You just got to find a way to frame your trade properly. You swing at the bat. You don't always hit, but you just want to swing at the good pitches, right? Easy as that.
Easy as that.
Yeah, just play the good hands in poker, swing at the good pitches. That's it. Stop chasing. Don't play 7-2s, Jack 4s, because that's when Omnius brings out the donkey. And of course, don't oversize. So that's why I announced it in advance. You guys don't think I'm oversizing. I'm going to be trading this account aggressively. The goal is to try and make 1,000 to, and timing is terrible because it's 11:22. But there's volatility in the market, eh? 13-point range on the 1 minute candles. You probably have 15 points.
If you can get one of these runs, yeah. I mean,
yeah.
Do have a inverse hammer on the 5 minute, failed breakout into an inverse hammer.
Well, if you look at my Renko, we're right at the lower band of the on the lower band of the bands.
Mm-hmm.
So for me, that's an excellent entry because a full bar below the bands is an exit. So why not just take a position right here and hope we run all the way back up? And my risk is just one bar below the bands, a full bar below the bands, which is barely anything. And there it is. Stopped out.
I think I seen somebody saying that Nutty did a 24-hour stream yesterday.
No kidding, eh?
Are you going to do a 24-hour stream?
That's a lot. It's hard.
I don't know if I understand the purpose. But, I don't know.
Bring attention to your channel?
Maybe.
But honestly, for it to bring attention to your channel, you already have to have a lot of subscribers and a lot of followers who are talking about it in other places.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we don't have that advantage. Just like, you know, we're doing it in a void. I did, I think, yesterday. I think I had a lot of viewers on my stream. Was it yesterday, the night before? 40 some odd for the evening. It's higher than typical.
Did you see my Discord server? I think I sent you an invite.
No, no. Did you?
I think so.
Didn't
I
get
don't
it.
know.
Where we? Oh, maybe in Discord. I see. Yeah, I see that you have a message. I haven't gotten to it yet.
Oh, that must
I was
be
late
them.
today, so when I opened up, I didn't get a chance to look at any of the messages in Discord yet.
Yep, that was probably it. For anybody else that's interested, they set up a Discord server. It's a work in progress. Links in the description. As well as the Facebook, TikTok, X, and prop firms Bulenox and DayTraders. If anybody's interested in new prop accounts, everything's in the description.
You just gave me an ulcer.
Only
Why'd
one?
you give me an
I was
ulcer? You just reminded me that I got to
trying
fix my
for two.
You reminded me that my description and my stuff isn't working. The links aren't nothing. My description is all screwed up. I said, now I got to go troubleshoot that. I mean, not now, but
What's wrong with your links?
I don't know. You told me yesterday they weren't working. Remember?
Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna go check them.
So I gotta go figure out why that is. Why they're text and they're not links. There is one link that's working, but the other ones are text. Well, this is a real dump.
Yep, still
This
text. Nope.
Yeah.
Yep, that inverse hammer caught it, didn't it? Actually, a inverse failed breakout to an inverse hammer to kind of an evening star pattern.
Yeah, that should have been an easy one to call for people who were looking at that trade. For counter trend traders.
Now we can kind of be. Now we're at yesterday's high, pivot point, small support zone. We'll be looking for a bounce.
But that still has to be a scalp. I mean, look at the 4 hour. I'm looking at the 4 hour chart.
And 50% retracement. 4 hour chart. What about it?
I'm just saying, if I'm a counter trend trader and I just shorted the false breakout of the initial balance, I'm still worried. I'm still okay. I better play that one close to the vest because I'm seeing strength in that 4 hour chart right now since the 21st. I like it. You know what? I really like it. It's like a really good bird's eye view. You know, when you're flying on a plane and they have that little image of your plane with the destination, a blue mark, and the where you're leaving, the destination, and what's the departure point? They have two dots between the departure point and the destination. There's a blue line, and you see the plane flying along the blue line. For me, that's like the 4-hour chart. It's a really raised bird's eye view of where we're going. I think it's improved my trading quite a bit. Thanks a lot. I thank you. You got me to put it up. Not only put it up, keep it up all the time.
You was having problems keeping it up.
Yeah. You helped me. You helped me with that. Thank you.
Whoa.
No, I had no interest. I just I would reference it one time in the morning, and that's it. And then I would completely forget about it. But now that I have it displayed permanently, and I get to look at it quite often in the day. I am understanding why my long trades are working so well, and why I should keep focusing on those. Not only are we above that trend line, but we've also broken swing highs. Not only broken them, but closed above them. So until we get below a swing low and close below a recent swing low, sorry boys and girls, but if you're a trend trader, you should be going long. Now, that doesn't mean I won't take micro scalps in the short direction, but I'll do it with much more conviction in the long direction. And you know what? My numbers would probably be so much better if I really only took them in the long direction and avoided wasting my time. Probably the ones I take counter to the strong overall trend. Probably break even if I were to keep stats on that. Probably break even or just a little bit.
So we're pushing up now, or think we're still going down?
I have no idea. Unfortunately for me, my shorter term charts have switched bias to bearish. Going lower. Look for short trades. Those would be those micro scalps. I'd be so much happier if we can get above. It's not going to take a lot. 710. We got to get to 23,710. It's not a lot to ask for. Especially now. We got 16 points of range on the 1 minute candles. In 2 minutes, we can be there. Let's get back up. Let's go now. Push back over the initial balance high again. That was the fake out. Scared everybody out. Came down to the previous day's high. Got even a full candle below it to really convince people this is the move. And now we just shot right back over it. Yeah, I was talking about micro scalps to the flip account. Who called the trade today? Ah, you're right, Skeletor. We didn't do it.
Skeletor, long or short?
He's gonna make me open up Bulenox.
Yeah, we don't have to do it today.
Yeah, I prefer not. I want to try and pass an account. And if we get above the band,
he said long.
did he say long? Okay, let's get him open. It's much more important. Bulenox.
How do you argue with that?
What happened, Bulenox? What? The IB you're trying to connect to is not authorized?
You should leave it for tomorrow.
No. Too late. Called. Let me cancel my connection with Apex. Let me open up Bulenox. It's okay. No big deal. I got to find the right account as soon as it gives me a chance. 49. I got to set the ATM. It's not letting me because I'm loading the data. In the meantime, it's probably running higher. We're missing coin flip 5. There we go. We're in 697.75. That's for account number 42 in case it loses. 697.75, sorry. Coin flip. Buy limit. There we go. Okay. We're in. Theoretically, he probably... Oh my God, what time did he call this at? 32? No, 32, even earlier. Yeah, 32. Much better price. Probably would have hit target already. Well, it is what it is, unfortunately, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. Yeah, when he called it, it was at 696. But we're almost there.
Yep, he called a good trade.
I would have called it long too. Let's go. We're done. He's done. A winner. We have a winner. Thank you very much. Okay, well, we have another one scheduled for 11:45, but I'm going back to Apex for now. Follow me for more calls. Yeah, get a Discord server and have a signal service. I'll update the data. Maybe I have a chance to do it now. I gotta update the data. I was long on that one. You would have been long also, right, Omnius?
Sorry, I was watching the Runway Girls.
Yeah. Is that a new band?
If you call that a band, it's not much.
It sounds like the name of the band. Oh, the Runway Girls. Enter. August 28th. I guess we didn't do it yesterday.
What I meant to say was, yes, I would have took a long too. In fact, I did.
Yeah.
I took a scalp. And then I started seeing red, so I got out at about 5 points. But
So we were both choosing long. We're both 3 for 3. Oh, those aren't good stats, what I'm doing there. Currently, 3 winners, 3 losers. Minus $34.
Skeletor has a Discord. I hear you.
Okay, we have to redo our numbers here for you and me calling it.
I don't know if anybody clicked on my Discord yet. How do you know who's in your Discord?
I don't know.
Show
I mean,
members?
I do know, but I don't want to look at that just now.
Nope. No members yet. Not in the Cool Kids Club.
Guys, put a link in my chat. I'll click on it and I'll go memberize myself. I'll go get a membership. Does it come with a swimming pool?
I think so.
1 week free stay at House of Omnius during the Christmas vacation for the first one who signs up.
I think it comes with a swimming pool, Runway Girls.
Runway Girls.
Back massage by an Asian masseuse that knows Tai Chi. I could go for one of those. I got a birthday coming up. You was thinking about getting me something. Asian masseuse, I could go for that.
Well, no, that's too expensive. But you send me your address, I'll send you something. You'll laugh when it comes in the mail. You can probably even guess what it'll be. Really going to take me out? I'm going to hang on. I'm convinced to the long. I don't want to make my day on this, though.
Would tell my wife to take me to the titty bar or something, but she don't drink anymore, so it's hard to convince her to take me to the bar.
Mm. I would have to think you got lousy titty bars in Florida compared to what we have in Quebec.
Why?
I don't know. I think you're what's the word there?
How do I know? You ain't told me.
What's
yet.
allowed in the U.S. is a lot less than what's allowed in Quebec.
Really?
Yeah.
What's allowed in Quebec? I feel like y'all have like stricter rules than we do.
We do, but not for titty bars.
Really?
Yeah. Titty bars, they decided to remove all the rules. They got tired of making rules when it came to the titty bars. Maybe the politicians like them.
Of course. Nah, in Florida it's pretty relaxed. I mean, I found that anywhere you go, you know, there's some that you don't want to go in. There's other ones that you do.
Oh my God, yeah. You go to the rural areas, R-U-R-A-L. Yeah, you don't want to walk in there. Those aren't girls. Those are.
The problem is it's hard to tell because majority of them are just blank buildings that look like they're abandoned.
Mm.
I don't know if that's like a law or something, but I guess they're not allowed to have signs out or.
But the way I figure in the U.S., a titty bar for you guys is a girl wearing a thong or a G-string and tassels on the nipples, or maybe it's topless. Is it full nudity in Florida?
They have both.
Oh yeah, okay. Here it's full nude.
You can go to just the titty bar or full nudity. I think if it's full nudity, you can't have liquor. So a lot of them, they have like a upstairs and downstairs.
Yeah. No, here it's full nudity. Can you touch?
You're not supposed to.
Yeah, no, here you're allowed. It's legal.
I don't know if it's legal or not, but...
No, it is. I said here it is.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I don't know here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, here it's legal. And like a law came in, you're allowed to. And now, there is... the dance comes with touching. They raise the price and the dancing comes with touching.
Do you really want to touch a girl that 100 other guys touch the same night?
No, but there are a lot of people who do.
I mean, if the girl likes you regardless, she's going to let you, but...
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably good that they have a rule not to.
Yeah, but it became legal here, yeah. In the beginning, there were a few complaints, not from the customers, obviously, from some of the girls who didn't want to do it. But I guess they just worked themselves out of the business, and now it's, look, it was a long time ago that they changed the rule.
Yeah, I don't know if I would agree with that rule.
Mm.
Or I guess I'm saying it wrong. I would agree that there should be a no touching rule.
Yeah.
Most of those girls are college girls, and they're there doing their things like everybody else. They don't need to be.
Yeah, and the problem is, by making it a rule, the man probably assumes he has the right.
I just couldn't imagine that.
Now the girl doesn't have the choice anymore, you know?
I couldn't imagine that. Because most of them, they got like this big bouncer, like watching over everything, and you touch any of the girls in any way, and they're tossing you out the club.
Yeah, that was the old days.
I seen one time the girls even got in trouble.
Okay, that didn't work out.
The bouncer was about to throw the girls out the club too.
Oh yeah.
I was like, "What's the problem? What's going on?" Like, no touching.
Yeah, well, they could lose their license.
I don't know if it's a law as much as it is just a rule.
Yeah.
I mean, they can't pass a law that tells you can't touch somebody. I don't know. maybe.
Well, not her private parts. Otherwise, everyone would be going around grabbing every girl's. That's assault.
If it's unwanted.
Well,
assault's touching somebody that doesn't want to be touched.
I think it's easier to just make it illegal than to have to try and prove that it was unwanted, because then some guy's going to go around saying, no, it was wanted. It was wanted. She looked at me. She winked at me as she passed by me. So you know what? Let's just make it a blanket rule. We don't have to worry about it.
So you're walking down the streets of New York, there's tens of thousands of people, and you bump into somebody, you get arrested?
No, but if
there's more to it than just that, you know?
Yeah, well, now, of course, that's the law. There's the gray area, there's interpretation, there's common sense. It all factors in.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what to do here, I got... when they talk about when everything's in agreement, is there a word for that? They call it confluence. But what's the word when everything isn't in agreement, when you have contradictory...
Unconfluence?
Unconfluenced?
Chaos?
No, there's a word for it. I'm sure it's chaos. I got chaos. There's a word for it. I just can't think of it. And not divergence, because it's not divergence. When two things disagree, it's not divergence. 11:45 coin flip. Okay. Hold on. It's not a coin flip anymore.
Be looking at shorts. I don't know. What do you think?
We will see. First person. I would go short if I'm the one picking. Let me open up Bulenox. First person to call it on any channel. I'm watching my channel, Omnius. If someone calls it on your channel, let me know. Meantime, I set it up. I don't have anything. Anybody calling it, long or short, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Win or lose, it's just for fun. Although we do take the trade.
I think everybody went to sleep.
Yeah, it was quiet this morning.
Mm-hmm.
We picked the right account. Number 49. Confirm. Yes. Pick the right account below. Number 42.
Ruin said short.
Short.
The Ruin's still hanging out.
There we go. We are short, Ruin, at 680.50. At 690.50, I go short on my other account. Sell limit 5. There we go. I got a limit order if it doesn't trade. And
going short.
Yeah, I'm calling it short. Also, you think it's short? What's your call?
Talking to me?
What's your call? Hurry up. You have an advantage now. No, you don't have an advantage now. No, you do. You could have said long, 5 points away from take profit.
I was rechecking the audio. Messing with
What are you thinking?
Messing with the audio a bit.
Yeah.
I said short. I haven't said short.
Okay, we're short. We're all short. Yeah, because I have to keep win-loss stats on you and me. I was only keeping win stats, and that wasn't good because I wanted to know not who's better between you and me. I wanted to know what my accuracy was, and while I was doing it, I said, why not do it for you also? So, yeah, we're both short. So today, so far, we're 1 for 1, you and me, plus the system. And let's see what happens on this one. So you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you see that little part there with the brown bands on the top and on the bottom? That's where I'm going to crop out the 9x16 recap video. So even though now I'm still filming, or my OBS is still in 16:9, I know that's a perfect 9x16 section. So I could show the video.
Gotcha.
That's what I was explaining to you yesterday when you said, Mike, I gotta go. I was just saying that I created a little bit of a space I had GPT create me a 9:16 image. I faded it gently into the background. I knew where I would go over it, like where I needed to cover, what space on the screen. And today, I'll test it out for the first time today. Let's see if this trade loses. Are we all going to be winners? Are we all going to be losers? I went short, Omnius went short, and the system went short, and we lose. But second chance trade. Just went short. Let me change accounts. Let's watch the second chance trade. The second chance trade enters when the first trade loses, and it enters in the same direction. So far, it's 3-0. We had 3 losers, and second chance trade won. Let's see what this one does. Today we had 1 winner, 1 loser on Chat's Choice. Tune in tomorrow. If you're in the chat, you can even pick direction. You just got to be the first one to shout it out. Let's go. Let's go. 4-0. Will we hear the cash register? Let's raise it loud. Let me hear the come on. Like what? Did it hit it? Missed by a tick? Don't be a dick for a tick. Who says that? Wow. Seriously? Honestly, in real life, you have to get out now at break even. You can't go 1 tick away from take profit and let that go to full loss on a real trade in real life. I'm sorry. You agree?
Oh, it depends on the trade.
Serious? 1 tick? Without moving the stop? Still leaving it as a full stop? At least cut it in half? I'm not going to do it now because that's not the test, but it's amazing how often it happens, though, that you get 1 tick away and then it's able to go completely to the other side. That's spectacularly impressive. I'm not saying it's going to happen today. And when I mean often, I don't mean it happens daily, but I'm still surprised at how often it happens. Wow, I was so convinced we were going to hear the cash register, and that is once again a reason why you don't enter early. You wait for your setups to trigger. Because you never know. I think everyone should tattoo the expression they use on Top Step TV, which is ACH. Anything can happen. Right now, we can go to the loss by 1 tick and then go back down. Somehow that never happens. The universe isn't that generous.
See, we could be getting a long signal, but we're also kind of consolidating.
Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. Yeah. Okay, good. We got back below the entry. Ooh, nice push. Nice push. Push. Where's my push? I need him right at the top. Oh, we don't have it here. It's on the other. Wow, got close again. 3rd time's a charm. I feel it this time. That's the previous day's high, eh? The yellow dash line.
Talking about my chart? Your chart?
No, on my chart. Hey, it's true. I know what I'm going to do next. Don't run away after this hits take profit. I'm fully convinced we're hitting take profit on this one. Beautiful. There we go. That's 4-0 on this second chance trade. Where are you?
Right here.
No, but where are you?
Right here.
Cam. Where's your cam? So let's see if I take mine and I go if I go half size. Okay, we have more room for chart. Excellent. Because you know who's missing in this?
Who's missing?
You were missing.
I'm right there.
Yeah, no, but you're not going to make it into the screen on the recaps because you weren't. I didn't have your box, so I didn't know what size to make it. But now that you're here, I can do it. Now we're both in. Oh, you know what? Projector. There we go. Now let me open up the thing. Move that here.
Oh, you made me too fat.
No. It's not changing the perspective. The perspective is the same. But I have too much. I want to get us bigger. So I'm going to minimize the screen a little bit, make it more square. Bring me over. Remember, it's a work in progress.
I just
put you up to my height. I'll put in a divider over there. You want the left side of the bed or the right side of the bed?
I don't care. Chat, anybody interested? Bulenox sell, Apex sell, DayTraders sell. All the links and codes are in the description. What do we got? 90% Apex, 91% Bulenox. So if anybody's been waiting for huge discounts, that's it. Now's your time.
Forever hold your peace.
Also set up a Discord. It's a work in progress, but anybody interested, links in the description.
Did you post it in my chat? I don't think so. I'm looking. I don't see it. Told you, post it in the chat. My chat.
Yeah, it sounds like work.
I think it will.
I said it sounds like work.
Oh, I thought you said it won't work. There we go. So how's that working? No, we're too small. We're just heads. Got to fix that a bit. We're both just heads. There we go. Let's click on it right away because I'm going to forget. Are you sure you want to leave YouTube? Go to site. I'm certain I want to leave YouTube. Discord app launch. Continue to Discord. Is that all I have to do?
I don't know.
I don't see it. There's nothing. Let me try it again. Let me keep Discord opened. And go to my chat.
I don't know. I don't know how Discord works.
Try again, Discord.
Yeah, work on it. Work on it another time.
No, maybe I have to do it twice. I don't know. There we go. Continue. Now I saw you. Yeah, that'll work this time.
Yeah, Discord seems to be a bit difficult from times.
No, I don't have an Omnius server. Let me try from inside Discord, maybe. Accept. Okay, now it's working. It's working from inside Discord. It didn't work from outside. There we go. Omnius Trades. Welcome to Omnius Trades. Invite your friends. Send your first message. Perfect. Download the Discord app. I did. Add your first app. No, I'm not asking, but I'll send my first message. Hello. That's enough. I'm not feeling creative right now. Add your first app? Not now.
I don't know what all that means.
Okay, so what does he have as channels? Welcome, rules, text channels, general, voice channels, general talk, and public live stream. Perfect. So I think you click on the left side, you click on the picture of your server. You go full screen, and I think you see who's inside your server.
I don't want to do it now because it messes with the cameras.
Yeah, it does. My cameras are probably gone right now.
Yep. Messed up. No, you're still there.
Yeah, funny.
Mess with it later.
You. That's weird. Yep. Anyways, got it done. Close.
Just let people know, hey, got Discord, working on it, setting it up. Working towards getting more stuff, expanding the community.
Now I gotta figure out.
Like I said, all the links are in the description. Facebook, TikTok, X. Mike, do you call it X or you still call it TikTok? Well, not TikTok, but
Twitter. I still call it Twitter.
He had the X again, didn't he? You go to back out and they give you X and you press the wrong one and it kicks you out. That's funny. You back? There he is.
Oops. Did it again.
It is kind of tricky. Like they give you an X to get out of stuff and you press the wrong X and it's gone.
How often this happens. It's
like,
insane.
Can we just get like we get a little bit better than that, you know? We got a back button so we're not hitting X's.
Your volume is redlining.
For you?
Yeah, it's not going to have good audio on my stream. I just realized you're really redlining. Omnius mic is very high, yeah.
Has it been that way? I didn't hear it loud.
You know what? No, you know what it is? It's on this scene, maybe. Let me just check the two different scenes. Hold on, let me see where.
It's hard to get the mics together.
I don't know why it would change. It's like, you're all good, and then all of a sudden you're redlining.
I don't know.
Anyways, you're better now. Gotta watch it. You swear you gotta watch these things like on a minute-by-minute basis.
Yeah, we need those people that like watch the stream and monitor everything. Hey, where'd my cameras go? What'd you do?
What do you mean? On your stream or my stream?
My stream. All right, they're back.
Yeah.
Hey, I lost likes again. Everybody keeps unliking. I don't know if YouTube just keeps stealing my likes or if people like come in, like the stream, and then when they leave, unlike it. It's funny.
So I gotta fix this here. You look good. You look like you're in the right place, I think. I think by now. Let's just okay, we're gonna have to make a couple of adjustments. Just a few of them.
People say, what's the hardest part about streaming? Well, you got to slowly get everything exactly the way you want it. Oof. And then one day they decide that it's too good, they screw it all up, and then you got to slowly get it back the way you want it again.
Yeah, every day.
Still consolidating. I think most people are looking at the market saying they could make a case for the longs, could make a case for the shorts. I think the 5 minutes favoring the long, so is the ES.
Yeah, I'm supposed to be trying to pass my apex, but okay, well, you know what? I'll worry where I'm going to put this later. What I got to do now is I got to crop the chart differently because we're seeing those momentum indicators, and I don't want that, so let me bring this in. Stretch this out. Where's the time? Get the time right over Omnius's head. That's a perfect. And now get that to the end. You know how to move the chart around? I forgot. Oh, there we go. Control. Shouldn't have to do control.
Yeah, stupid.
You should be able to just grab it and go.
And then DayTraders the only one you have to do that. Yeah, looks like we're getting a push. Maybe the longs are stepping in. Alright, be back in just a second.
Oh shit, I needed him there. Okay, we'll come back to it. In the meantime, I have more time. Now I can try and set him up here. I don't think he saw it last time. Let's see if we can squeeze him in. Transform, where are you? Flip. As my kids used to say, hey, good morning, JC. Nice to see you. I love you too. I slept like a baby, just to let you know. 12 hours, I think, 9 to 9. That's rare for me. Yeah, he's got a lot to say, huh?
Still there?
I am. When you guys go on, I always pop in yours and pop the like. Hey, way to go, Ruan. Sorry I didn't. It was fine, but yours is very loud. Omnius has a lot to say. Huh? I can't see that.
I think that was before. I think you fixed it since then, right?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Come on, you don't see Stickman Omnius?
That's not a stick man.
Yeah, it's a Stickman. It's a 3D Stickman.
Nope.
What is it?
Not a stick man.
It's a Stickman. If you type in 3D Stickman, that's what you get.
All right, let me type it in.
That's a 3D Stickman with a hat with a white emblem and a red beard with no gray in it.
3D stick man.
I'm out. Take care, Skeletor.
See a third guy? Skeletor, have a good evening.
No, 3D, not third guy. 3D.
Oh.
Take care. Take care, guys.
I guess. I don't know. Shows how much I know about a stick man.
Okay, but you're there. He's back. Real man is back. Yes, he's back.
Oh, man. The other one looked cooler.
And he doesn't stop talking. It's perfectly looped, eh? It was a really good job.
I need one of those. Skeletor, have a good day.
And it even had your sign in the back. Did you notice?
Skeletor, you got a second? How did the trading go today? If not, it's fine.
That is hot. Can I get back to my, okay, now I got to do one more thing. So many things to do. Now I got to go update the stats.
Skeletor probably got a meeting to go to. Skeletor, you in the meeting? Tell him we say hi, okay? All right, getting a push. Try along. Was this too far?
You know what? I don't remember the stats. We'll start new, fresh stats tomorrow.
Might try to jump along and kind of hold it for a second. Skeletor, good day from me. Awesome, man. Push. You can do it. To the moon. Push. Fine, I'll take my 5 points. One of those days, huh? Oh, now you push. Oh, my goodness.
10-second rule. You violated the 10-second rule.
Within the very second that I hit the close button.
Yeah.
That's great. I love it. It jumped. It just jumped. What was that? 15 points. The very second I hit the button. That's what's great about trading, though, is we never know what's going to happen. Not only a second later, but the very second that we're doing something.
Yeah, I know.
That's how it keeps you on the edge of your seat. Keeps you excited. What other job you go to and you're just excited about the job all day long?
You know what? Not a lot. Really not a lot. I always told my kids, you really got to find something you enjoy, because otherwise you're going through life
miserable.
And it's going to be miserable. And I say, look at our neighbors. 6, 7, 8 in the morning, they're going out. Some of them in their briefcases, with their briefcases in their hands. Some of them with just getting in their cars. And
I was telling you, I went to the Dollar Tree, last week or something. And of course, the balloons are like $1.50. So we're getting, and somehow now they're like $2 or $2.50 or $5. Which is fine. Everything's going up. It sucks, but whatever, right? Well, I was asking the lady, because it came up to a certain amount of money. And I was asking the lady, why is it this instead of this? And she got all like mad and upset and stuff. And what it was, the kid wanted to buy the stuff with the kids. They wanted to buy the stuff with their own money.
Yeah.
So they had a certain amount of money. They had it all figured out. And then, of course, we get in line, and it was coming up to a bit more. So I was just asking the lady about it, and she got all upset and everything. And the son's like, why was she acting like that? I was like, son, some people they're miserable throughout their entire day.
It's funny, but it's not funny. It's a funny story, but it's not funny that people go through stuff like that, eh?
Then, of course, I was messing with the kids because they're like, Dad, you can't buy it. We're buying it with our own money. Like, okay, I'm not giving you any money. We get there, I kid you not, was 9 cents over the price, right? What they had. So the kid's all figuring it out. He thought he had like an extra 50 something cent, and they come up like more. They come up 9 cents. And this lady's like having a whole attitude and everything because I asked a question, and I say, no, I'm not giving you no money. Y'all told me no money. And they're like, Dad, we can't buy it. I'm like, I guess you got to put it back. Like, you told me no money. We're sticking to it.
Quebec sales tax. That's what you got charged.
One of the ladies in line was like, I'll give you a dime. Like, I thought it was funny. The people in line thought it was funny. The lady was just absolutely miserable. Can't even be mad at people. Like, somebody's in conditions that make them that miserable in life, and you can't even be mad at them. You just feel sorry for them.
Okay, I updated it for, it was 1 and 1. Day 3 results. Okay, make it day 4 results. 8 trades, 4 winners, 4 losers. And it's down $34. So I guess that's commissions. I'm starting to keep better records. Me, I have called 1 winner and called 1 loser. You've called 1 winner, 1 loser. Account 42, second chance trade, 4 wins, 0 losses. And the next one to pick, if nobody does in chat, is Mike. I keep that also update. Okay.
Anybody in the getting in the lunch hour? Any market slowing down? Anybody in the chat want to chat about anything? What's going on in life? Get a new dog, new car, new hat, new shoes, new cat.
Cat.
Birthday coming up. We don't care. What y'all want to talk about?
I'm staying. Ryan is staying. Ryan, you have any pets? You know, it's a good pet. Swear to God, people cringe when I tell them. A rat. We had a pet rat.
What are you, the Pied Piper?
What a good animal. I am sorry to tell you. What a good animal.
Oh, one of my Suno songs got flagged yesterday.
Really?
Well, I guess not fair.
That's weird. But Suno has a new rule now, eh? You can't, unless you're a paying member, you can't use them. You can't use your stuff in on YouTube.
Well, you can use it. You just can't. You have to pay to get it copyrighted. And I guess they have a feature now where people can make songs, and they can set it to where you can remix the songs. And I think somebody made the song, and I kind of remixed it a bit, but I guess it was still too much like the original, and they must have had it copyrighted through Suno.
Yeah.
And so it even brought up their name. So that's how good Google is, right? It brings up the name of a person that used the Suno app and clicked copyright this song. But what I don't understand is they also clicked let people remix it. So obviously they want people to remix the song.
Oh, you're back.
Who's back?
No, you. I was working on the screen, but you left, so I couldn't continue fixing it. But you're back. I can go back here. Continue your story.
But the same person that I understand why they copyrighted the song, because they don't want somebody else to do it and copyright it, right? But the same person also clicked that they want you to be able to remix the song and make it in other ways. So, okay, I remixed the song, used the song, and then it flagged me as copyright. But Google's so good at telling it that they flag a song that somebody on an AI app used and then click the copyright button. Is that my ICT song? Ruin, you like the ITC song? I was trying to make a couple more, but they just didn't quite come out right. It's an AI app. I mean, sometimes it does good, sometimes it don't. No, it wasn't the ICT song. No, I didn't remix that one. I just gave it, like one line that wrote the song. But think of how good these apps are. Like, I just told it ICT stole my money. It did everything else. It knew ICT was a trader. It knew I was a trader. I think it even put futures in there. Like it did all that on its own. So that's quite impressive. Now I'm gonna have to go play that song. For anybody that wants to hear the ICT stole my money song. Yeah, AI is getting scary. Crank it up a little bit. We need a way to play songs and stuff on each other's stream.
What do you mean?
That way your stream could be listening.
You played on my stream?
That way you be listening to stuff together.
There probably is a way about that. Probably have to be played in Discord, and we would pick up the audio from Discord. That would be my guess.
I don't know how to do that.
ICT stole my money. My girlfriend said I should've listened to her, but what does she know about trading? And what do I know about trading? ICT took it. ICT stole my money. She said, why do you look so sad? I said, I'm broke, baby. She said, why are you broke? I said, ICT took it. She said, why'd you let him? I said, I can't be trusted. She said, what the fuck is ICT? I said, what the fuck is ICT? I said, oh, just some guy on the internet. I said I can't be trusted. He said, what the fuck is ICT? I said, oh, just some guy on the internet.
Have ICT coming after me. You told people I stole your money. Guys, disclaimer. It's a joke, okay? Just a funny song. I'm sure I'll make more that'll make more people mad.
Okay, now what else I got left to do?
Ooh, look at that spike. What was that? Breaking the daily high. Yep. Anybody that hasn't already, make sure you smash the like button. Get the stream pushed out to more people. If anybody didn't know, Apex and Bulenox both have really good sales going on. 90% for Apex, 91% for Bulenox. We were waiting for a discount to buy evals. Now's the time to do it. And for anybody that wants to try out DayTraders, link in the description. All the links are in the description. I believe the DayTraders is going to be a one-time fee. That'll be interesting. And the DayTraders comes with a full license of Quantower.
Perfect.
You figure it out?
Getting there. Okay, so I just got to move the time and the subscribe button. Where do I want to have the subscribe button? Let's go for top right corner. Yeah, let's put in the middle.
If anybody sees any trades, any trade ideas, type them in the chat. Interested to hear what other people are, see what other people are looking at.
Last but not least.
Looks like we could be rejecting the high. Maybe inverse and fair value gap. Mike, what you doing over there? You falling asleep?
No, I'm formatting the screen for the videos and then locking everything into place. The only thing I need right now after that is a little separator between you and me. I wonder if I could do that. I think I don't need the large screen. You know, yeah, missing all opportunities to trade. Look at these moves. Still 13 points volatility. But you know what? I don't need to waste my time with that. I can do that later. The most important thing was to grab you into the frame. And that's taken care of. So let's go back to the main layout.
Do have another kind of evening star pattern on the 2-minute chart. I almost want to short it, but it's hard for me to take shorts like this. Drop down to a 1 lot. Maybe give it a shot. Just kind of watch it.
So let's go look. Long. Everything is long. What were you saying? You were saying you're thinking of long?
I was saying maybe a short. It's hard for me to take shorts like this.
What do you have?
Drop to
your
a
2
one
minute
lot.
Your 2 minute is telling you short.
You didn't hear what I just said, did you?
No, I didn't. I was looking at I was just trying to get realigned with the charts.
What I was saying is there's a kind of evening star pattern on the 2 minute chart.
Okay.
I like the evening star and the morning star. It pushed up, made a new high, rejected it, came back down, formed the evening star pattern. It's hard for me to take trades like this because it goes against the trend.
Yeah, again, I'll tell you, look at the 4 hour.
So, just kind of want to...
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
So one lot, look at it.
There are moves down in this, you know. They're just smaller, and you can expect less continuation, less follow through, obviously. Doesn't mean you can't make money. 65% of the candles have bullish momentum. Only 32% of the candles are bearish. Did you get in on your short?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's basically break even right now.
Good job. Good job. Okay, I lost it. There was a Tory Trades video I wanted to watch. I've been saving it for God knows how long on my screen. Of course, I don't know why I didn't bookmark it. That would have been better, but I didn't. And now it's gone. I lost it.
I think somebody else posted a video about her taking that huge drawdown or loss or something. Now, did she take drawdown or did she lose the trade?
The video I saw, it was drawdown.
I mean, hey, if she actually showed it live, then, you know, great job actually showing it, you know. Yeah. I don't think I've ever seen her take a trade live.
Well, it was the video that I saw. They said it was a very long trade, like lasted maybe 8 days, 10 days, maybe something around there. And yeah, she had an open drawdown for... It wasn't so much that she had an open drawdown, but it was one of those where you just got stubborn because, you know, everything it's showing, it's finished.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? The trade was over.
Right.
She should be out of it. That's the impression I got. There was no reason she should have stayed in that. That was now she just went into the world of hopium.
Mm-hmm.
And if it continued against her, I guess she could have got crushed, which is very bad.
I seen that same thing happen to another woman that traded a few years ago now. I think it's the same thing. Options. It was Amazon options.
Okay.
And I think it was a husband and wife team. And they were starting to blow up and everything was going good.
Oh, that sounds familiar.
And she took a trade on Amazon and she posted a video. She's like, "Oh, I'm down like $10,000." And then like the next day, up to my position. Now it's going to come back. Everything's going to work out. And then it was like, oh, down $20,000. And it's like, oh, it's Amazon. It's going to push back up. And the next thing it was down $60,000. And then she added more to it. And then it was down $80,000. I think the last update was like $120,000 down. And then didn't see them no more. That was it for that channel. I don't know if she ever got out of it by that time or what, but I know it dropped like major after that. So she was already down $120,000 if she didn't get out. I'd hate to think of what happened there.
Yeah, well, that's just inexperienced trading.
I think they were like selling courses and stuff.
Like yep.
Discord membership and courses and like how are you gonna go so heavy on options on something like Amazon that's known for big pullbacks and then just keep doubling down? Now when I hear people talking about stuff like that, I just think of some of the traders I've seen do stuff like that. Works great until it don't. And it's that time that it don't that ends your trading career. That's why they tell you not the nightingale. I mean, if you're in the red on a stock position and it's going against you, sure, average down. If you're going heavy on options, you can't keep averaging down like that.
Well, even stocks, they go down. Look at my neighbor came to me. Why is the market crashing every day? What? Mm-hmm. He was in stocks, just poorly picked ones.
Oh, I think when Trump first became president the second time or something, the market dipped down and everybody was like panicking. Yeah. And everybody's telling me, oh, the market's crashing. I'm like, what are you talking about? It's down like 4%. They're freaking all-time highs. What are you talking about? And then like people were so programmed that like it was back up to the highs and people were still telling me that the market was crashed. Oh, the market's worst it's ever been. We're going into a recession. I'm like, we're literally at all-time highs. What are you talking about?
What even drives me even more batshit crazy is when my wife tells me what she sees on TikTok. Hey, Mike, did you see what this guy's saying? I said, the markets are going to go down to this level, and I don't care. I mean, who is this guy? I don't know. It's like she's trying to like warn me. Like I'm sure he knows what he's talking about. He's got a lot of followers, and I'm not sure.
A lot of times, the more followers they got, the less they know what they're talking about. Everybody wants the hype.
I tell her, you do know some people are right and wrong at different times, and
I think I make people mad nowadays. Like, the market's crashing. I'm like rubbing my hands. I'm like, this is great, isn't it? Like, what are you talking about?
Yeah, people don't get it also when I say that. I say two things. One, I don't even remember what the market did. I tell them, to be honest with you, my trades are short. I'm in, I'm out. I have no overnight positions. I don't really know. And even if it did, I make money on the up, I make money on the down.
Exactly.
Hey, there we got our separator.
Well, I day trade, swing trade, and invest, so there's something everywhere. So if the market's going down, good time to buy stocks. Market's shooting to the moon, good time to sell some of the stocks.
Connection lost.
What happened?
I don't know. My browser said connection lost. You look bigger than me.
Yeah, you got my head all like blowing up.
No, that's just because
look.
you're closer to the camera than
I look like one of those bobblehead. Watch.
That is what you're gonna do when I'm recording. We both need to do it.
I'm like one of those bobblehead things on the windshield.
Let me bring my monitor closer. Oh, look at you. You just went off into the distance. I just made myself closer. There we go. A little too close. I can't see that monitor. You know what? Let me reach this. This will help. Ouch. I put this here.
What, you got a booster seat?
No, it keeps me more forward in the seat. So I don't have to bring my monitor too close, because if I bring my monitor too close, it blocks my ability to see the monitor in front of me. They overlap, so I can't keep it too close, but there we go. Now we're both bobbleheads.
This is why I find it hard to be a counter trend trader. Like, all the momentum's going one way.
Mm-hmm.
I like the nice reversal pattern, but do you get a follow through? I don't know. I think you have to have just like a certain trade plan formed around stuff like that. I could have got a little bit better entry. I think when I was trying to size down to one, moved against me. I wouldn't give that much a stop. Yeah, right there. 17-point stop.
Missing all the action.
Go 1 to 5. Looks like it's not going to win this time, but I think you got to have a solid trade plan around it. Know the stats.
Missing all the action.
Missing all the action.
But I'm very stubborn.
Mm-hmm.
I want to get this.
Was that a statement or a question?
No, it was a statement. Stupid thing. Okay, your camera is not as high as it should be. Neither is mine.
Not as high?
No, on the screen, there's more space.
Above you?
Raise you. Yep.
You don't want it all the way at the top. Like your head's like hitting the ceiling.
No. Just up to that brown line there. There we go. Perfect. Now I do that for me. Perfect. Is that good? I think that's good.
Yeah, works out.
What time is it? My wife might be calling me. I'm not even checking. Oh, shit.
You in trouble?
No, another crappy day. 2:30. I have to go do crappy stuff. You know what the crappy stuff is.
Mm-hmm.
2:30. My day is gone. No night streaming. If I have a link for night streaming, I gotta go shut it down.
I think when I set up this stream, I set it up as PM. I was looking for it this morning. I'm like, PM? What is this?
Yeah. I'm not surprised that you got, what do you call it? sent to the wrong stream for me because I had them all wrong and stuff. Just to let you know what I was doing, if ever you're going to do something like this, you know, you want to create a template. If you look, that's the image that I created. Let me put it on the top. Hold on. Get it all the way on the top there. Why is it not all the way on the top? I lost it. Template. So I made it green, and then I made it transparent. And that's a perfect 9x16 block. So I knew that that's the space I needed to occupy. And that's how I know that when I record it, the first time, right? I can then record it the second time and just select that, and it'll be a perfect 9x16.
Mm-hmm. What's for lunch?
I think for me it might be pizza if I can get away early enough. And
Chat, type in the chat what's for lunch. Hamburgers, hot dogs, pizza, tacos. What day is this? Oh, Friday Eve? I don't know.
I have a little bit left over from yesterday.
I've been smelling that roast all day. It's making me hungry.
Yeah. Uh-oh. What did I do? There we go. Cam. Put the cam beside Omnius. And is everything good with this screen? It's good enough for tomorrow's session. Let's get back over here. Oh no, there wasn't. There was one more change I wanted to make. Sorry, people. Bear with me. Screen chart 1 minute. Unlock. Perfect. Thing is, I spend my time to align it to the pixel. Then you come back tomorrow. Not even tomorrow. You close the platform. You reopen the platform. It's not aligned to the pixel anymore.
Mine's been doing it every day.
So there's no point even in wasting your time to do that.
Drive me crazy. My camera's been like super small every day. Every day I got to resize the cameras.
Yeah, it's a big pain in the ass, this stuff.
Every day I got to resize the cameras.
Yep, I know. You totally said that already.
Mm-hmm. I got their speakers on.
You said that. What are we doing? It's 12:51.
I was hanging out to see if anybody was going to hang out over the lunchtime, but I don't know.
Yeah.
My likes finally went up to like 7 or 8, and then they dropped back down in half again.
Yeah, well, I clicked the like. Let me see, that's there. Yeah.
YouTube steals all my likes, steal all my views, they steal all my hours.
I can give you one more. But I think we're going to cut it after this. AOC under investigation for alleged something.
Yeah, they all allege something, right? Yep, I'm getting a bit hungry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I did that for you to make you laugh. I was laughing about the counting.
I like your video at the top right. I gotta create for myself something like that also. That's the one thing I'm missing. I look at your video and I want to put in something like that. Okay, let me see. He says click on the more, which is the description. Let's see what he has. Yeah, Bulenox, okay. DayTraders, hold on, let me check it. Okay.
Guys, yeah. Bulenox, 91% off. Apex, 90% off. If you've been waiting for a good sale, jump in. Time is now.
The time is now. Yep.
Apex, you said 90% off, but it's only $85 to go to a funded, right?
Yep, $85 activation. That's good.
That's a really good deal there. Bulenox, 91% off, and that's reoccurring at 91% off. It's like $15. So if you don't pass it the first month, it's only $15 the additional month.
And DayTraders.com, it's 90% off, and it's not even recurring. You just pay it once.
And it comes with a full license of Quantower.
Fully automated payout process. You don't have to go through a human review. Seems to be a lot of good features with DayTraders.com. No profit split. That's another, it's not 90-10 or 80-40. Project X also you have access to, which is, in my opinion, an excellent platform. So I would check that one out also, guys.
And of course, all the links are in the description. Discord, Facebook, TikTok, Bulenox, DayTraders, and Mike has Apex. So
I was no, it doesn't matter. I'm not streaming tonight. There's no way that's 100%. I've gotten out of my duties by streaming yesterday and the day before, so I 100% have to take care of some things tonight. I'll be here tomorrow at 9:15 or earlier, co-streaming with Omnius. And thanks for hanging out with us. It's appreciated. We don't say it often enough, guys. Really appreciate that you hang out with us. It's so much better when we have people to chat with and share ideas with. And I'll see you tomorrow.
Guys, appreciate everybody. See everybody tomorrow morning. If you haven't already, smash the like button on your way out. And have a good rest of your day. Goodbye tomorrow morning.
I'm such an idiot.
Have their say. Bulls and bears have battle. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done, the charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Strings ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Strings ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal.